Yo, yo, yo. What is up, guys? Hope everyone is having a good weekend. Happy Saturday, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are tuning in from the world. I hope you guys have liked and subscribed to this live. We're going to get started in just a couple minutes. Just give me a second, guys. Go ahead and refresh this. Let's open the Discord. All right, guys. Will Ethereum break out? Let's see the chat. Let's have a look at the chat real quick. Let's see where everyone is. Let's see. 1 second. Have a look at this chat. All right. All right, we got some new faces here. All right, Penny Harris, good afternoon. How you doing? Kenzie, of course, welcome back. Welcome back, Penny. Benzomatic, what's up? Hello, good afternoon. A Balance, yo, what's good, brother? Rokid Defensor, I believe you are new. Welcome to the live. Welcome to the Discord. If you have not joined the Discord, please make sure you join the Discord. Let's have a look at our positions today. CC101, I believe you are new too. What up, Rigo? What's up, brother? How you doing? I hope everything is doing well. All right, guys, we're gonna have a look at Ethereum because this is one of our trades, our main trades right now. A little bit weak on this breakout right here, but it is not over yet. It's not over until it's over, of course. So we're gonna be having a look at that in just a second. Zain Ahmed, what's up? How you doing, brother? Hope you're having a good Saturday, my man. Let's see right here. Let's have a look. We're gonna be diving into Ethereum, our trades on PEPE in a second. Actually, these are our trades right here. We're gonna be having a look at that in just a moment. Not the best weekend, let's just say that. Definitely much different than what we expected because last week was fireworks compared to this week. But oh, the music came away. That's okay. That's completely okay. The music came out. Let me just put it back 1 second. All right. Can you guys hear the music, by the way? No, you guys cannot hear the music. That's funny. All right, so I've been playing this whole time without music. Let me just add the music real quick. All right, can you guys hear it? Let me know if y'all can hear it. Let me know if I'm not lagging. Let me know if everything's clear and crisp before we continue with the live. Wow, we're close to 10 likes. That's pretty interesting. We've like 10 likes within a couple of minutes. This never happens. You guys never like my streams. All right, let's see. My time goes well when I see you. Good evening. Good evening to you too. Katie vibes, is that what it is? Hola, not new, just different user. I'm the same as Jiro Blanco. Let's rock it today, boss. All right. Welcome back, everyone. Okay, so our main trades, if you guys are in the VIP, you guys know most of you guys are in the VIP, which is absolutely for free. You guys know that I called a few trades over the weekend or earlier today. We got Ethereum open and PEPE open. Currently a little bit shaky. Ethereum's not doing so well. And to be honest, I did get in the Ethereum trade after all you guys. So I'm currently down on that, but I believe we will have a breakout very soon. We're only down 4%. That was a massive position. I almost went all in on that trade. LITECOIN is attempting to come back. Right here. And of course, Dogecoin, 255%, which is obviously fantastic, guys. So we have been making some gains. If you guys, of course, are in the free VIP Discord right here, and the link will be in the description below if you guys are interested. John Walters, new to the stream. What's up? Hope you are having a good one. And of course, make sure you join the Discord if you haven't, sir. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the Discord right here in the link in the chat. I'm gonna go ahead and pin it. And let's start this live with the poll, guys. Ethereum is attempting to break out right here on the 1 hour time frame, on the 2 hour time frame, on the 4 hour time frame. We're going to be having a look at all that in just a second. We're also going to be having a look at EMA ribbons right here because exponential moving average are looking pretty good on the 2 hour time frame. We are sticking right above the exponential moving average, which are looking pretty good. Look at that, 11 likes, 19 viewers overall, and the stream just started. And it's a weekend, guys. The market has been a little bit slow, but obviously things are looking pretty fantastic on the Ethereum trade right here, guys. We are in a long on Ethereum for those of you guys who don't know. So obviously, if you are new to this live, you could obviously take it. Just make sure you set your stop losses. My stop loss is below this wick right here, 3,477. And pretty much that's about it. So let me just remove these liquidations real quick, these liquidation bands. Let me just remove them so it makes a clean chart. I'm pretty sure it's this right here. We're going to be taking this out. We're also going to be having a look at the 5-minute time frame. Guys, am I lagging, by the way? Can anyone tell me in the comment section below if I'm lagging or not? Because I need to know what's going on, if the stream is smooth or not. Let's have a look at Ethereum right here, up 0.2%. Let's take out the smart money toolkit. Just a second. Let's see if we got any order blocks on the shorter time frames. And by the way, guys, just a quick announcement. If you guys have not signed up with BYDFi right here, I was able to pretty much extend this for you guys, the first deposit. So I know a lot of you guys are like, yo, Dose, is it too late? I missed the deposit window. Well, I just did a new one, but of course you won't be getting as much as before. If you deposit $1,000, you'd get 200. Now you only get 150. So I spoke to BYDFi, I spoke to them, I convinced them, except the small trader deposit was going to be lower, but the whale trader 5,000, 10,000 and 20,000 sticks, and they are the same. Okay, so you could get a $2,000 bonus if you do that. Anyways, going into the charts right here, let me just remove this thing right here. The 5-minute candle on Ethereum is looking pretty decent. I'm not gonna lie, we did have a change of structure right here, so the overall trend on the 5-minute time frame is bullish. If we do manage to break this level right here, which is we do have 2 very important order blocks, we should go up, and that would pretty much confirm the breakout on the 4-hour time frame right here, or the 2-hour time frame, which is looking pretty decent at the very moment. So that's what's happening right now for Ethereum. I do want to have a look at the VPVR real quick. Oh, why did I delete that? This is the volume profile right here. Just a second, let me just extend that. And the volume profile right now are looking they're looking pretty good. They're looking pretty good. We do have a lot of volume right here. You guys can see this is a pretty good amount of volume. So in my opinion, if we clear this area right here, this should be a straight bounce to the upside. And our trades right now, we were down 3.45%. We are officially green on all of our trades right now at the very moment, which is obviously looking fantastic so far. Of course, we cannot jinx it whatsoever. So that's what's happening right now. If you guys have any questions, of course, make sure you guys, let me know in the comments below. Don't, feel free to join the Discord. Feel free to ask whatever you guys want. Obviously, if you guys want me to take over at something, make sure you guys like the stream, of course. By the way, we are close to 20,900 and close to 21,000 subscribers. So if you guys have not smashed that subscribe button, make sure you guys do. If you guys have not smashed the like, make sure you guys do. We're currently sitting at 11 likes. So let's pump those likes up and let's get straight into it. All right, so Ethereum right now, Ethereum rejected right here, 2-hour time frame. It looks like this could be the breakout right here on the 2-hour time frame. And if you guys don't know why I drew these lines right here, let's just restart real quick. You can see that we have a cross support resistance right here. This was a cross. We had multiple wicks right here. maybe liquidation grabs, liquidating people who were over leveraged, people who were had their stop losses, because we know this is an important support region right here. And a lot of people that took trades right here, they're like, you know what, we're gonna place our stop losses, you know, a little bit below. So this right here, I believe this liquidation was taken already, and you know, this liquidity grab was already taken. I don't believe that we're going to see another liquidity grab before continuing to the upside. I really don't. I think that the breakout should happen within the next coming minutes, in my opinion, in my honest opinion. And of course, everything's gonna depend on Bitcoin. So let's have a look right here at Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been a little bit slow, I'm not gonna lie. It's been a little bit boring right here on the 4-hour time frame, Bitcoin. But and I believe we did have a bullish divergence, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know why I drew that, but Bitcoin has been a little bit boring. Let me just draw this right here. It is also in a horizontal triangle. Oh, and something I forgot to talk about Ethereum is the stochastic RSI. Let me just pull the stochastic RSIs right here, because they are pretty bullish. All right, so the stochastic RSI right here on Ethereum are looking pretty oversold on the 2-hour time frame. And the last time we were oversold, you guys know what happened the last time we were oversold on Ethereum. Okay, we were oversold approximately right here, you guys can see, and we essentially took it to the upside. Now Ethereum has been oversold for quite some time. We've been trending at this area. Okay, so a breakout is imminent, and we could also see right here that the blue moving average is curving over the orange, which is technically a very bullish sign. So it's only a matter of time before we see our positions pretty much flying to the upside. This breakout, like I said, should be coming very soon. And as long as we stay above this second point of control, let me just draw it right here. This would be the second point of control right here. Let me make it red. Let me make it a little bit thicker right here so you guys understand. Okay, so this would be the second. We do have a point of control right here. We have a point of control right here. You guys can see we have a point of control. We have another one right here. If we do break that successfully in a breakout, I mean, we should see Ethereum start flying. Like, when I mean start flying is start flying. Hence why we decided to pretty much take a long on Ethereum right here, which it looks like we're back down again. Nothing too crazy. We did go 25x on Ethereum, something I don't really recommend. But Litecoin, let's talk about Litecoin. Litecoin is up 2.2%. So if you guys kept your Litecoin position open, that is literally fantastic, because I told you guys I would go balls deep into Litecoin, excuse my French, and it looks like we essentially did. I mean, we were up 43%. It looks like the comeback is here. Doge is up 257%. PEPE, we're up 3.3%. And of course, PEPE is going to do whatever Bitcoin does, and I'm sorry, whatever Ethereum does. And if Ethereum does break out right here, you could expect our PEPE trade to absolutely fly. Okay, so we're relying on Ethereum. We're relying on Ethereum right now. PEPE is relying on Ethereum, and of course, Ethereum is relying on Bitcoin. So everything is going to depend on that and what happens within the next few minutes. Check CC. Oh my God, what happened? DOGE, C, LTC. Wait, what happened? You just told me to check Discord. What happened? Did something happen? I'm scared now. Message request. Hi, DOGE. Hi, check the Discord, CC. Oh, you're telling everyone to check the Discord. Okay, yeah, I hope that's what's happening. But what's going on right here? What did I want to say? Oh, someone said, how do I join the VIP? Oh, okay, maybe you were answering to that. Guys, it's very simple. How do you join the VIP? I'm gonna say it a couple times for those of you guys who are asking. CC, okay, yeah, you were planner CC, I figured that out. It's very simple. You're gonna go ahead and check Discord right here. You're gonna click on free VIP access. You're gonna follow these rules right here. Pretty much sign up with BYD. Find links in the description below. Obviously, you're gonna deposit at least $500, and you could get access to scalp signals, swing signals, market analysis, and VIP chat. And pretty much that's about it. So that's what's happening right now. And pretty much, yeah, looking pretty good. So, Space Shuttle, did you hit the like? Make sure you hit the like if you haven't. All right, let's see what's going on right here. All right, so it looks like Ethereum's making a push. Having a look at some of our positions right here. Litecoin. All right, so Litecoin. You said you wanted me to check Litecoin. Let's have a look at Litecoin. Litecoin is looking pretty good. Let's draw some support lines right here. I told you guys, by the way, that if Litecoin does not hold $100, that would be very bad. And it looks like Litecoin right now is trying to push back to the upside. And I told you guys that Litecoin, we could potentially see a $300 target on Litecoin. Here, let's have a look at LTC USD right here on the longer time frame. I do want to pull up Bitstamp right here because Bitstamp has the most history. And I do want to open the 6-month time frame on Litecoin, okay? And I told you guys, this is a 6-month time frame on Litecoin. We know that we have not seen a proper breakout on Litecoin in a very long time, and this chart right here is obviously history since January 17, Litecoin has been consolidating on the 6-month time frame. So every candle here is 6-month time frame, and in my opinion, if we do break out of here, we're most likely going to see Litecoin hit $500, sub 500 in my opinion. The same, we're seeing all these dino coins explode, such as Ethereum Classic. We're seeing Litecoin exploding. We're seeing XMR is probably going to explode as well. We saw XRP, XLM. All these coins are making a comeback slowly but surely. And pretty much that's about it. I do want to have a look at PEPE right here. It says PEPE on the 6 months, but I do want to have a look right here on the monthly time frame. I mean, look how beautiful PEPE is. This could also be a long swing trade, by the way. I know I gave you guys a target, etc., of the PEPE trade on my VIP, which is free once again, but this thing has been consolidating, and in my opinion, once we break out of this region right here on the monthly time frame, which is 1647, we should see PEPE really explode, and I'm talking about like 4 or 5x from here. And pretty much that's about it. So looking pretty darn good in my opinion, looking very good PEPE on the longer time frame, especially if you're a long-term holder for PEPE. You should be making some fat gains, assuming that this is an altcoin season. We're going to be having a look at the Bitcoin dominance too, because the Bitcoin dominance is very important, and something that's very interesting right now on the Bitcoin dominance is, are we going to get rejected this week on these exponential moving average? Because we saw it happening a few times. We saw the last rejection was right here, and I don't want to get too excited yet. I know we are in an altcoin season right now. I know this is like an altcoin rally, sorry, but in my opinion, if we see this coming down below these EMA ribbon and a successful closure, we're most likely going to see the massive and one of the biggest altcoin season we have seen since probably 2021. Okay, so it's been a very long time, and you guys can see that the weekly candle is not over yet. We still have 1 day and 6 hours left until this weekly volume happens. So if we do manage to break this all-time high or this all-time volume since I would say November, that would be extremely bullish. Yes, we want to see red candles because we want to see the Bitcoin dominance pretty much come down in order for us to have that massive altcoin season. Ethereum is nearing a very important resistance, but I'm going to get to that in just a second. Depends on ETH and Bitcoin though, right? Those, yep. It does depend on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Everything depends on Bitcoin and Ethereum, but it looks like Bitcoin right now is consolidating. Nothing too crazy on the daily time frame, by the way. Bitcoin is consolidating, and it looks like it is getting ready for a massive move, kind of like how we saw a few weeks ago. So if you guys remember, a few weeks ago I called a long right here on Bitcoin, and we kind of kissed these EMA ribbons, and it's kind of doing that. It looks like we're doing the same thing. We're consolidating right here on the daily time frame. So in my opinion, we're most likely going to have a pretty big breakout, and I'm going to explain to you guys where my next target is, assuming this is an Elliott wave pattern right here. I think we could see $150,000 very soon, but things are looking pretty good for Bitcoin right now, and I think we will have a breakout like we saw a few weeks ago. Oh my god. All right, we got 17 likes, close to 20 likes. Make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys like if you guys haven't, obviously. And pretty much that's about it. Ethereum is looking a little bit shaky right now, nothing too crazy, still attempting to break out right here. We do need to see some volume, I believe, on Ethereum on the 2-hour time frame. Yeah, the volume is still low. We still got an hour and 25 minutes. Obviously anything can happen on that, but hopefully this candle is going to be a nice little green dildo right here on the 2-hour time frame, so we could see PEPE going up, because obviously if Ethereum does go up, we're most likely going to see PEPE going up as well. But having a look right here at Bitcoin real quick, I want to go back to Bitcoin on the daily time frame and have a look at the stochastic RSI. Stochastic RSI are not, oh my god, stochastic RSI are not looking bad. Okay, it looks like we could be forming some sort of bullish divergence right here. You guys can see an increase on the chart and a decrease right here on the stochastic RSI. So it looks like we are or about to form a hidden bullish divergence. It's not there just yet. I believe we're gonna get it though. It's only a matter of time. And pretty much that's about it. If we have a look right here, the regular RSI, I believe we are a little bit overbought. Sorry, I think I said oversold earlier. It's overbought. Yeah, we are slightly overbought, but nothing too crazy in my opinion. I think as long as we are above the 50 right here on the 50% on the RSI, I think we're chilling. I think everything is good. And having a look right here, the 4-hour time frame, we're in between right here, the EMA ribbon, so nothing too crazy. We're very neutral right now on Bitcoin, but I do want to get rid of this real quick. And we are a little bit oversold, so it looks like we do want to essentially make a nice little move to the upside. Of course, these candles were, I mean, these trend lines were drawn on the daily time frame, hence why you are seeing something very, very weird. But maybe we got one more bounce right here on the 4-hour time frame. That wouldn't be so good though for our altcoins. I'm not gonna lie, that means that our altcoins will essentially pretty much bleed. But it looks like Ethereum, guys, look at that. Ethereum on the 4-hour time frame, it looks like it's like a pregnant lady. It looks like it's ready to pop. It looks like it's literally ready to pop, guys. I mean, we do have a very, very small order block right here sitting at 3,676. But in my opinion, if we do break that, it's all going to be up. It's going to be uphill from here, in my opinion. It's going to be uphill. It's going to be good. Stochastic RSI are pretty oversold right now. In my opinion, we should see a move to the upside very, very soon. I'm very, very excited for this trade. Let's have a look. Our trades right now are officially all in green, which is looking pretty darn good. And for those you guys who held LTC long, I told you guys not to panic. For those of you guys who held the LTC long, I told you guys not to panic. Literally, congratulations. If you didn't hold, that's literally unfortunate, but so far LTC is making a comeback. We were very, very close going back to our entry point. At one point, this position was literally up like 3%. It was up 3%. And pretty much that's about it. But I do want to start taking profit on some positions right here. So I'm going to go ahead and take profit on Doge because Doge is up and it's been absolutely exploding. So we do want to head and we do want to go ahead and take some profits on that and not be greedy. But Ethereum, it looks like we are going to the upside. It's looking pretty good. I don't know about you, Space Shuttle Blue, but it looks like Ethereum should be breaking out very, very soon. Let's have a look at the shorter time frame right here on Ethereum. Maybe we're gonna have a look at the 5 minutes and the 15-minute time frame. It looks like we got a couple liquidity sweeps right here as well. Oh my god, what the hell happened? All right, it looks like we got a couple liquidity sweeps. We had 1 and 2 right here. We still have not gone a change of structure on the bearish side, so things are looking pretty good. In my opinion, if we do break this resistance, which is, I believe this is a daily resistance, I believe, yeah, this is a daily resistance. Yeah, I think it's like the daily resistance. If we do break this level right here, it's going to be all uptrend from here, in my opinion. And pretty much that's about it. All right, XRP, having a look at XRP real quick. Let's have a look at XRP on the 4-hour time frame. It looks like XRP is just consolidating. We do have to be careful here, but it looks like we are just consolidating, nothing too crazy. Let's pop these exponential moving average to see where we are sitting. I believe we are trending right above the EMA ribbon, but I could be wrong. Yeah, we are trending above the EMA ribbon on XRP, so things are looking pretty good for XRP. And we know the last time we were below these EMA ribbons was, I don't even know, it was the 27th of June, guys. 27th of June was the last time. Description available, good coins. What do you mean description? Oh, I don't know what that means. ETH has daily resistance and 1 hour chance of reversal is possible. Look, guys, since we broke on July 6th on XRP, we kicked it off, right? Came back down, and ever since we've just been trending above these EMA ribbons. I really think that XRP, maybe this could be a double bottom too. Maybe we could have a nice little just be careful and take profits on ETH now. I'm not taking profits. I think we're gonna go to 4K. Listen, if we don't go to 4K, no, I'm kidding, but I don't know. Let's have a look at XRP. If XRP does break this level right here on the resistance, I think we could fly, in my opinion. Yeah, I think we could fly. XRP is just consolidating, nothing too crazy right now. We're just consolidating right here between this channel. Maybe we have one more bounce back down, liquidate a bunch of people before flying to the upside. I would like to see a little bit more volume for XRP too. It looks like the volume is decreasing. You guys can see slight decrease in XRP. If we have a increase in volume followed by a breakout, that's going to be very, very bullish, obviously. Hey, Dose, you think ETH will pump if we close the candle on the hourly above the EMA ribbon? Let's have a look on Ethereum. Let me switch this to the 1 hour and then have a look at Ethereum right here. It's possible, but I'm really looking at this. I'm really looking at this resistance right here. This is the resistance I'm really looking at. If we do break, I mean, look, the trend has definitely been with us. I'm not gonna lie. Like, ever since we broke above these EMA ribbons right here, it's been like, yeah, we came back a few times and now we're just consolidating. It looks like we're just consolidating after this massive pump, obviously, but I believe we're gonna see a nice little uptrend. I believe we're gonna see the breakout in this live stream. I said it at the beginning of this video, and I would like to see, though, the volume increase a little bit on the 2 hour. I would really like to see. Check Discord trading chat for ETH. ETH daily, let's have a look. Oh yeah, I do see that. That's an interesting one. Okay, nice. Okay, that's Space Shuttle. Okay, that's a pretty good analysis. I did maybe I did not look at that. Let's have a look right here on the daily time frame. Let's zoom out. Let me clear these EMA. I still think we're gonna break it though, because obviously, listen, if we get rejected, how far do we go? We go back to 2,800. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like if we get rejected, we're gonna come back here, and I don't see that happening anytime soon. But of course, anything could really happen. I mean, with the amount of inflow we've been seeing on the ETFs and BlackRock buying more Ethereum, it's been super bullish. But I don't know. I feel like if we do get rejected by this level right here, which I know we saw a rejection right here. Fine. We saw one right here. We saw one right here. And we saw one right here. Sorry, that was really big. All right, if we do get rejected, I feel like we're gonna come back down and retest 2,858, 2,900. But I don't know. I think it's time. I think it's time for us to explode. Really, I really do think. Not financial advice, hence why we have our stop losses, obviously. But this is what I think. This is what I think. Let's see what happens. The volume is definitely low ever since we start consolidating. You guys can see a massive decrease in volume right here. Huge decrease, but we are slightly starting to increase back, and we are in a weekend. Let's have a look right here with Fibonacci and POC. Fibonacci is what? Sitting at 0.5. That makes sense. Yeah, 0.5 and the point of control right here. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. That does make sense. Yeah, I mean, yeah, $2,800 does make sense. I do think we have one last pump though. I know I called $2,800 multiple times, but I do think we have one last pump. I can't take profit on 2.38% only. That's not a lot. But we can't be emotional, guys. We can't be emotional. Let's have a look right here. It fits the green in the order block. Oh, you're talking about the green that I had, or this order block right here? Yeah. No, I don't think we come back all the way down here. Oh, which green are you talking about? Yeah, so that's Ethereum, guys. That's Ethereum right now. Is this a point of control given? Yeah, this is a given point of control in Ethereum on the 2-hour time frame. Let's see what happens within the next coming minutes. Obviously, let's have a look right here. 1-hour time frame. We do have an order block, very slight at 3,300. We have a big, not a big one, a very small one, 3,700. Nothing too crazy, obviously. Trend exhaustion is a pretty good indicator that a lot of people actually don't take advantage of, and it looks like we did cool off. We cooled off right here. So we cooled off at 3,000. We start cooling off at 3,700 approximately. Came back down. Now we're just consolidating. I think we could have a pump. No, we're not shorting Ethereum. No, we're not shorting Ethereum. Jack 8967, we're not shorting Ethereum. No. We're in a bull market. We can't be shorting Ethereum. We don't short in bull markets. I learned my mistake the hard way. Solana looks like it's consolidating too. Nothing too crazy. We're having a pretty interesting consolidation right here. We did have a fake change of structure. I believe if we do break 177.70, that's going to be another change of structure on the bullish end. But as of right now, things are looking pretty good. Just wait on confirmation for shorting first. Yeah, I'm not going to be shorting. I don't like shorting in this market. It scares the shit out of me. I'll be honest with you guys. It really scares the shit out of me. But it looks like Solana, yeah, it looks like we're just consolidating right here. Let me just remove this real quick. Let me get rid of that. Let me pull the 4-hour. Oh my god, Solana. Yeah, look at that. Look how many rejections we have off the EMA. I think Solana could pump tonight too. I think we're gonna pump. We had two rejection and 3 rejection above the EMA ribbon, and we're also trending between this area. Very ugly candles. I'm not gonna lie. Very ugly candles. But it looks like the bulls are defending. The bulls are clearly in control. The bears are trying to gain the momentum, but I don't think it's gonna happen. I think the bulls are in control, and I think we're gonna essentially send it. But of course, we're going to have to see. Dogecoin is looking pretty good too. I mean, we took profit on our Doge trade right here. We're absolutely printing on Doge, up 256%. I mean, if you guys are in the VIP, obviously you guys know that we're printing, we're making money. Dogecoin is absolutely flying. Things are looking pretty freaking good on Dogecoin. But right here, can we come back and retest this level? Maybe not. the 2-hour time frame looks a little bit weak. I'm not gonna lie, the 2-hour time frame also looks a little bit ugly. It looks like we could be getting ready either for another dump or a reversal, but I don't like this. I don't like this. I'm not a fan of this. Usually every time I see this, it usually comes down like that again. I am not a fan of this. We're gonna have to see what happens, but as of right now, we are holding these exponential moving average. Things are looking okay, and pretty much that's about it. All right, let's have a look at the chat. Yeah, Doge up 2.4% is solid in my opinion. Doge up 2.4% is good. Make sure you guys like the live stream. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button if you guys have not yet. Don't be shy. Ethereum, let's see what happens here on Ethereum. We do have a slight resistance also right here. It looks like we're pulling back down again, looking pretty boring. Let's see what happens here. And like I said, guys, at the beginning of the stream, Ethereum usually will PEPE will usually follow Ethereum, and this is exactly what's happening. They're pretty much both in red. I mean, yeah, up 0.2%. Yeah, exactly. They're pretty much both in red right here. We need to see Ethereum flip before we see PEPE go up. These are my trades right here. These are my trades, nothing too crazy. Pretty much all these trades are from a couple of days ago, except for Ethereum and PEPE. If you are in the free VIP, then I called Ethereum and PEPE not too long ago, a few hours ago approximately. Let's have a look at some of the liquidations real quick. In the last 24 hours, we got approximately $300 million liquidated longs, and we had $64 million liquidated shorts. Obviously, that's not a lot, 226 million liquidated, but it's a pretty good amount, obviously. So can we come back and see a more liquidity grab? Very possible. If this was like 500-700 million dollars, or yeah, million, I think that would be more bullish. But we could have a look right here at the liquidation bands on the 4-hour time frame. Let's have a look on Doge, liquidation bands on Doge real quick. Let's see what's going on right here. Let me get rid of these EMA ribbons real quick. Let me get rid of that. All right, we're gonna have a look right here. I bought at 3,610 on 5x leverage. So what can I do now? Hold or sell? Nafkar Jane, I believe you are new to this stream, so welcome to the stream. Obviously I can't really tell you what to do. Everything's going to depend on you and what your risk reward is, and you know, how far is this, like a more, do you have a lot of margin? Are you trying to swing this to the upside? Like, yeah, you said you bought, so like I'm assuming you longed, right? I'm gonna wait for a better entry on wheat before I long it. That's okay. Jack A967, are you new here? Welcome to the stream. I saw you said, are we shorting ETH earlier? Welcome to the stream. I believe it's the first time I do see you. You could definitely wait for a better entry on ETH, but we have our stop losses in place already, so nothing too crazy. And we do have a liquidity band right here. This is a 50x liquidity support right here, sitting at 23, so it's very possible that we come back down and grab it. If we have a look right here, the liquidity on Ethereum, we do have a very, okay, so we have a 500, I think this is a 500x one. Let me see. Let me see. 29s. Check the VIP. I think you're in the VIP. I dropped it. 29s PEPE TP. Check the VIP. It's free, bro. Make sure you guys get in the group. It's absolutely for free. Don't be shy. Only show active liquidations. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, so we do have a, I believe this is a 25x liquidity. No, it's a 50x and 100x. So we do, I think we need to grab this liquidity right here. We need to grab these two liquidity right here on Ethereum. We do have a 500x long liquidity grab that we need to grab at 3,415, and another one right here, which is 500x, which is pretty high. But I think we're gonna grab this one first before coming back down. That's in my opinion. Not gonna lie, Ethan's gonna position too short due to risk reward. Only small loss if it goes up, big reward if it goes down. I don't know if I would short ETH, bro. I just don't know. Can you explain to me what happens when people are liquidated and how it affects the price of the market? When people get liquidated right here, let's say they are forced. So let's say you have a $500 million liquidations right here, they're forced to essentially yeah, they're just gonna get wrecked. They're forced to close the position. You don't want that. Like shorts right here, they're forced to close the position, which will make the price go higher because they're forced to close their short, which means they're technically rebuying, and vice versa for the bottom. So if it goes down and we clear that, right, we clear that and we clear that, like, yeah, it could technically be a good round buy signal if it goes back up, if we see a fast bounce. But we could also blow straight past through it, especially when they're bigger. Like when we're talking about like the 5x 10x, it's not so crazy, but when we're talking about the big ones like 50 to 100x, like, yeah, these need to be cleared. We need to wreck the shorts, in my opinion. We need to wreck the shorts. And if we do get to as high as 3,600, 3,650, I think that's going to be a nice little move to the upside, maybe 3,800. The reason why I wouldn't short ETH though, guys, it says Ethereum on Coinbase. Let's have a look at Ethereum on Bitstamp real quick. I do want to have a look at Ethereum on the monthly time frame on Bitstamp, because here's the thing, guys. We have a lot of liquidity being built up right here on the monthly time frame, right? You guys can see there's a lot of liquidity from like years of shorting, etc. And in my opinion, if we do break this level right here, and we're talking about levels since 2021, even, yeah, 2021, we're most likely gonna fly. Like, you don't want to be shorting this. Like, we're most likely gonna have a massive squeeze right here. We're gonna destroy all these bands, all the liquidity right here, everything that's pretty much built up right here. We're probably gonna destroy it. Like, yes, I know a lot of people are saying, even myself, by the way, I know I said very possible that we come back down and retest 2,800, but guys, this is the monthly time frame. If we have a monthly candle right here, I just don't see it going back up. I don't see it going back up. I think this is the time. This is a time to break this massive resistance on the monthly time frame. This is a time to essentially go up and send it to the moon for Ethereum. And this is a time for Ethereum to go to $13,000. I know it sounds crazy. I promise I know it sounds crazy, but I think Ethereum will do that very, very soon. Speaking about Ethereum, it's up 0.33%. Nothing too crazy, obviously, but we are waiting for that big move to the upside. All right, let's have a look. Oh, thank you for that. Thank you for that. Thanks for the support. I appreciate that. Can you have a look at BONK? Rigo says, yeah, I could have a look at BONK. Let's have a look at BONK real quick. Let me remove these liquidity, because it looks like liquidity was taken left and right on BONK. I believe we are above the EMA ribbon on BONK. Okay, we're very, very close. I believe that, here's the thing, if Solana pumps, I think BONK could do pretty well. By the way, something I want to mention, BONK flipped pump fund in volume, which is pretty freaking good. So on-chain volume, like, I know a lot of tokens were coming from pump before, but now, like, I think it's like 5 times, they're doing 5 times more than what pump was doing. So that's very, very bearish for pump fund, by the way. But here's BONK. BONK is looking pretty good. It looks like we're just chilling right now. It looks like we're making maybe a nice little double bottom. We're still holding this level. We do have a resistance right here, which is looking pretty good. This is on the 1 hour, on the 1 hour, this is on the 4 hour time frame, sorry. On the 1 hour, we are below the EMA ribbon, which is short term. Okay, so short-term bearish. Obviously, we know every time we are above the EMA ribbon, we're bullish. When we are below it, we're bearish. You guys can see this acted as a resistance right here, so we became bearish essentially. If I remove these exponential moving average real quick, and let's draw some trend lines. Okay, let's draw some trend lines real quick. We do have a nice little support right here, or resistance. This flipped into an ultimate resistance right here. We also do have a downtrend. This is a clear downtrend right here for BONK. In my opinion, this needs to be broken in order to essentially continue to the upside. So there's 2 things that need to happen. Not only do we need to break this support region, the trend line. I mean, sorry, not only we need to break the resistance, but we need to break the downwards trend line right here. Hi Kaneshi. I mean, yeah, this is a pretty clean chart right here. This is a clean chart. Clean chart. Looking okay. Let's have a look if we have any divergences right here. No, we don't have any bullish divergence on BONK on the 1 hour time frame. Let's have a look at the stochastic RSI. Do we have any divergences? We don't have any divergences on the stochastic RSI as well. So yeah, I mean, we're gonna have to see what happens. I think if Solana pumps, obviously that's gonna be bullish. We do have a let's see if this trend line meets. No, this trend line does not meet. No, it does not meet. I mean, this trend line meets with a resistance. So we have a cross support resistance right here. This was a support right here, exploded away from the support, came back down, came back up, and retested this cross support resistance. So this is a pretty interesting level. If we do break, we're gonna have to break this and that in order to essentially make all-time high. So we have this resistance right here, this resistance right here, and this resistance right here. Yeah, BONK's gonna need to essentially do some work. BONK's gonna need to do some work if it wants to break out. It will. Can you check SPX 69? Yeah, let's check SPX 69. Let's have a look. I think it was doing pretty well. I think this thing's about to pop. Let's have a look on the daily, because I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so if you guys remember, did we retest? Is this a retest right here? Let's have a look. I don't know if this is a retest, but I don't know if you guys were in my lives before. I told you guys that we might explode away from the inverse head and shoulder, come back, retest it, and then explode. It looks like this is what it's doing, but I don't want to. Yeah, I think this could be a good long right here, honestly, on SPX right here. Obviously, everything's going to depend on Ethereum. Let's have a look at Ethereum right here. I believe it's down a little bit. Yeah, Ethereum is pulling back once more. Everything's going to depend on Ethereum, guys. If Ethereum dumps right here, that's obviously going to be very bad for SPX. SPX 69 is a token on Ethereum, right? I'm pretty sure. I'm like 99.9% sure it's on Ethereum. But yeah, if Ethereum dumps, it's going to be like, it's going to be no bueno. I'm not going to lie to you guys. It's going to be no bueno if Ethereum dumps. We did have a nice little liquidity sweep right here, but we're still holding above this support right here on the 4-hour time frame. We're still holding. If we do break below this level right here one more time, though, I think we're gonna have problems. I think we're gonna essentially come down lower. So in my opinion, a dump of, I would say 7%. I think that would be bad. I think that would be bad if we dump 5 to 7 more percent. So we're gonna have to see what happens here. 42 viewers, 25 likes. Let's reach 30 likes, guys. If you guys want me to essentially keep being here before I rug the live. I'm kidding. I'm not obviously gonna rug the live, but make sure y'all like and subscribe if you guys haven't. We are very close to 21,000 subscribers. So make sure you guys essentially like and subscribe. Let me drink my water real quick. But yeah, overall, Ethereum has been very boring. The market today has been very boring. This is Ethereum on the 4-hour time frame. Honestly, like the market right now is very indecisive. But the longer, in my opinion, this is my honest opinion, the longer Ethereum consolidates, I think the chances of us going higher is better, in my opinion. I think the chances is going high. The chances of us going higher is very high the longer we consolidate, in my opinion. This is my opinion. This is my honest opinion. Of course, not financial advice. I think we're gonna break out of this region though very soon. Again, Adam Chamsine, join now, pushing like. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. CC 101. Did this guy leave when I explained how to join VIP earlier? I don't understand. All right, guys, I'm gonna explain to it one more time. Maybe I'll try to, I'm gonna explain it a couple more times, but basically you're gonna go ahead and join the Discord. I pinned it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but to join the free VIP, it's very simple. You're gonna join the Discord. You're gonna go ahead and click right here. Okay, you're gonna go ahead and click free VIP access. You're gonna click that. You're gonna sign up with BYDFi. You're gonna click on this link. Once you click on this link, it's gonna guide you to this link right here. So not only can you get up to a $2,000 bonus if you deposit, let's say $20,000, but you could also get access to all my trades, which is the swing signals, scalp signals, market analysis, and VIP chat. And yes, this is free. You don't have to pay. I'm not taking money from you guys. If you guys do sign up with BYDFi, you do essentially support me, and pretty much that's about it. So it's very simple, very simple, very simple. Please guys, follow the steps. If you don't speak English, make sure you essentially take the free VIP access, translate it to your language. I don't know, Perplexity, ChatGPT, etc. Ethereum, how do you day trade at once, 1 ETH at a time or more? I use USDT. I don't trade with Ethereum. We do have a we're winning those. What do you think? Roker Defensor. Yeah, we're always winning, man. We're always winning. Big wins. I'm gonna have to try a different device to join the Discord. All right, let me see if I need to verify you guys. 1 second. Oh wow, a couple of you guys came. All right, Emma. All right, announcement. All right, you're banned. You're banned. We're gonna go ahead and ban you right here. I'm gonna go ahead and verify a couple of you guys right here that maybe attempted to essentially join. I think you guys came in, I believe, yeah, I started this like 45 minutes ago, so I'm gonna go ahead and verify you guys right here. It just takes the app store after hitting accept invite. Not sure what the problem is. It just takes me to the app store after. Oh, try to do it on the computer. Let's have a look at trading P&Ls. Look at that, you guys are cooking right here on the Discord. Very, very nice. I like it. I don't know if you took this from my call or not, but I did make a few calls on XRP yesterday. So let's have a look right here at Ethereum. 1 hour. All right, we didn't have a horrible closure on Ethereum on the 1 hour. It wasn't the worst closure in my opinion. It could have been better. It really could have been better. But let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. Very, very slow. Let's have a look at the volume real quick. Volume is slightly increasing, slightly increasing, which is okay. Try to use a computer, maybe a different username. Says Ethereum on the 2 hour. Let's have a look right here. 3. Let's have a look on Ethereum. I do want to have a look at Ethereum on the 15-minute time frame. And I do want to open the smart toolkit. 1 second. All right, let's do this. Let's see what happens here. Maybe I do Heiken-Ishi too. I like Heiken-Ishi. Do you guys like Heiken-Ishi? I like how clean the Heiken-Ishi chart is. Not everyone likes it, but I like it to, you know, to identify trends and stuff like that. I mean, yeah, we're clearly consolidating right here. Clearly consolidation. Pretty big order block right here on Ethereum and a pretty decent one on yeah, we have a bearish order block right here and a bullish order block, so we're just literally stuck in the middle right now. It looks like institutions are messing with us. 28,842. Make sure you guys subscribe to this live stream if you guys haven't. Make sure you guys like the live stream if you guys haven't. And we are 1 like away from 30 likes, so smash the like button if you guys have not. And let's see, do I need to accept any more of you guys on the Discord yet? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Yep. Crypto Adam, are you in here? I believe you are. I believe you are in this live stream. I did essentially, all right. I've never used Discord before, but I've signed up now. I promise you, you're not going to regret it. I think it's going to be the best thing of your life. There's a bunch of people good on the Discord. There's a bunch of, you get access to pretty much everything. Trading chat. Space Shuttle Blue gives a bunch of good analysis. You guys should obviously keep an eye on that. General chat, trading P&L for people who are in BYDFi, absolutely printing. Make sure you guys sign up with BYDFi. Links in the description below. Meme chat, new videos. Of course, I update you guys. If you guys have any or need help with BYDFi, there's a help section, and I got 3 BYDFi support members on the Discord, and they're here to help you guys. So make sure you guys sign up with BYDFi. You can get some pretty nice bonuses right here. You guys can see. You guys can get up to $2,000 worth of bonuses if you guys do deposit. Let's have a look right here. Remember, all right, I have verified you. I believe you are here. Let me see. Benzomatic, I have verified you. So looking, yeah, so you should be in now. You should be in. You shouldn't have any problem. Just don't accept any friend requests. Do it from fake crypto does. They will try to scam you on Discord. Very, very true, guys. There are a lot of scammers. I will never DM you first. I will never send you a friend request. Unfortunately, we are in a space where there's a lot of scammers, and this is what crypto does. People will essentially try to take money from you, pretending it's me, and pretty much say, oh, you won the giveaway, when I never did a giveaway. They're going to make you click on a link, and you're absolutely going to get wrecked. So do not click on any links that were sent to your DM directly. Only dose, and pretty much that's about it. Only dose. Me, I need a verification. I did verify you right here. I did. I have verified you. I have verified you. Anyway, so I'm gonna, one more time, guys, in order to get free VIP access, make sure you get to the free VIP access BYDFi members right here. Sign up with BYDFi. You need to deposit at least $500. You could deposit more if you want. The more you deposit, the bigger bonus you get, and pretty much that's about it. Anyways, Ethereum looking pretty darn boring right now. Pretty darn boring. Nothing too crazy. Let's have a look right here at the stocks. Stochastic RSI looks like they do want to increase a little bit more, but they are looking really tired. the price, the volume's not, it's just not there. The volume on Ethereum is just not there. But we're also on Coinbase. I mean, what is this? We're also on Coinbase. USDT.P. Let's go on Binance. Yeah, it's still pretty dead actually. I'm not gonna lie. All right. Where are you from, Benzomatic? Where's everyone from? Where are you guys tuning in from? Yeah, LTC is indeed still going strong. Look at that. Litecoin is absolutely breaking out. If you guys kept your Litecoin trade, I told you guys not to panic. I said that if we were going to essentially close below $100, and look, we had a beautiful pump right here. It looks like we are absolutely going up. And the good thing is that, look, this is the beauty about Litecoin. Okay, if you guys are in my Discord, I told you guys that Litecoin was going to be a crazy long. And if you guys are in my Discord, I told you guys not to panic. And Litecoin was there. There were so many bullish signs. We saw bullish divergences. We saw oversold on the RSI, volume exploding. And right now we're seeing the stochastic RSI flipping to the upside. We got 52 or 53 minutes before this candle closes. In my opinion, if this candle closes like this, bullish engulfing candle, we're most likely going to essentially continue to the upside. But yeah, Litecoin, guys, is a very underrated crypto. If we have a look right here at LTC USDT on the bigger time frame on Bitstamp, because Bitstamp does essentially give you all the data since 2017, you guys can see that Litecoin is getting ready to pop like a pregnant woman. So in my opinion, we're most likely going to explode Litecoin. I know I did a TP on Litecoin of 116, I believe it was 116, right? We went to 113, 115. I know I gave you guys a TP of 113. I would probably take a little bit and have I would probably just literally let it run. I would let it run. Let Litecoin run, guys. I think Litecoin's gonna run. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy. This thing is absolutely running. This thing keeps on pumping. We're most likely gonna retest this high right here at 108. But yeah, Litecoin is looking good. Let's have a look at our trade right here at Litecoin. Currently up 54%, 53% right here. Guys, yesterday we broke even on Litecoin. Like, look, if I have a look right here at the VIP chat, I believe I dropped it. Let's have a look. We were up 15% on Litecoin yesterday. We were up 15%. We literally round tripped our gains. We round tripped our gains on Litecoin. So if you guys are in the VIP, you're absolutely printing right now on Litecoin. Absolutely printing, in my opinion. Up 54%. Doge up 246% as well. I don't know if you guys took the Doge trade, but we're absolutely printing, and Litecoin keeps on pushing to the upside. It looks like the volume is going to be good. Ah, I love it. I spoke about Litecoin yesterday on my live. I told you guys we're about to explode. So good. So freaking good. Maybe all the money from Ethereum is being withdrawn and going to Litecoin. Nah, I'm kidding. Wow. Litecoin. Oh my lord. Woo. Super bullish on Litecoin. I'm super bullish. Super bullish. Look at that. Yeah, I'm pretty bullish on Litecoin. I'm not gonna lie. I'm bullish on Litecoin. I like it. Look at this breakout. Is there a possibility of LTC retesting that thing? What thing? What thing are you talking about? Oh, are you talking about the volume profile? Where is it? Where's the VPVR right here? Am I blind or something? Here, this one. So this is the 4 hour. Are you talking about this thing right here? This VPVR right here? Or are you talking about the W pattern that we had? Maybe you're talking about this W pattern that we had. Let me just remove this. Let me exit this real quick. Let me remove that. If you're talking about this right here, no, I don't think we're gonna do that. Missed the LTC trade, bummer. No, the diamond pattern or whatever you called it. Wait, which diamond pattern? I don't know which diamond pattern. I'm so confused. For LTC? Oh, you're talking about the 6 months one? You're talking about the 6 months? Adam Chaseman. Oh, Chaz? I don't know how to pronounce your name. Or Adam. You missed the LTC trade? Oh my god, bro. I even put it publicly on the Discord too. I was like, you guys need to get into Litecoin. I made it public too. Like, this is why you guys needed, like, all these things are free. Where was it? LTC Bitstamp right here. Are you talking about this? Yeah, on the 6 months. Yeah, that's what I figured. You're talking about the 6 months right here. What do you mean? What do you mean? Is there a possibility? I mean, we're retesting it right now. If we essentially break out, it's gonna be all an uptrend from here. I don't think we're gonna get rejected unless Bitcoin decides to take the biggest dump of its life. If Bitcoin's like, all right, you know what, I don't feel like playing anymore, bye, see ya, then yeah, maybe maybe. But Bitcoin right now is looking pretty solid. It's looking good. Bitcoin's looking nice. I honestly dig Bitcoin on the 1 day. I like it. I like it. It's not the nicest, but I like it. If there's a dump in the market, wouldn't we retest it? Yeah, if there's a dump, but like we're also at this, I mean, this is also a 6-month candle, so like anything could happen in 6 months. But yeah, it's possible, definitely possible. Let's have a look at PEPE right here on the 1 hour time frame real quick. So the reason why I like PEPE, here's the thing. Here's why I like PEPE right here. I don't know. I like PEPE. I'm pretty bullish, but we're coming back down, retesting this level right here. We do have a resistance right here. We have a strong resistance right here. We had the breakout right here. This was the breakout on PEPE. And then we have a couple support regions right here where we bounced off. So it's looking pretty good. It's looking good, but we know that the more time a support or resistance get hit, the weaker it gets. Here we only hit it 3 times or twice before essentially breaking out. And here we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it's really like 1, 2, and then 3. It's really 3 times. I think DOGE likes it. DOGE likes what? After the breakout, I mean, I think DOGE likes, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys join the Discord. Make sure you guys like the stream if you guys haven't. Let's have a look right here real quick. 1 second. Yeah, I like it, because I do like it. I like it, but I don't know, man. Yeah, Ethereum really needs to wake up, in my opinion. Ooh, is this a retest off the trend line? Nah. We can't get too excited. We got 46 minutes left. Let's see what happens. Here. Oof, that water was dangerous. Maybe. Here, listen, 15 minutes we're bearish on Ethereum, 30 minutes we're bearish, but 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily we're bullish. Yeah. These are our positions right here. Our margin's not so high on DOGE, by the way. Yeah, our DOGE position is like crazy. Like the margin is not so crazy. The unrealized is good. LTC, the margin's bigger, way bigger, but we did add more margin and less leverage. Yeah. Yeah, Ethereum is just bouncing. Let's see the 15. All right, let's see where this 15-minute closure. Let's see where this closes. We're gonna close in 20 seconds. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens here. All right, we got 4 seconds. All right, this is Heiken-ishi too, so it's not. Yeah, we're just consolidating between these 2 order blocks. Very boring. In my opinion, AVAX is just gonna do what Ethereum does. This is my honest opinion. Oh wait, AVAX is pumping right now. Never mind. Wait, AVAX is doing nice actually. AVAX is breaking out. Holy shit. Is OP breaking out too in all these coins? OP and Arbitrum. Oh, Kadina's going up too. Katie is going good. Yeah, I like AVAX, honestly. I like AVAX. I made a couple videos on AVAX. It looks like we had a nice little beautiful rebound off the EMA ribbon right here. I mean, we've been in an uptrend since, yeah, pretty much since all this war starts setting on fire. It looks like stochastic RSI is getting ready to make a nice little push right here to the 75 area. Yeah, AVAX is looking pretty good, but we do have a resistance. Let's see what happens in the next 43 minutes, obviously. But AVAX is looking pretty juicy. I'm not gonna lie, it's looking nice. It's looking nice. It's looking nice. It's looking nice. If we manage to close like that bullish engulfing candle, I think we're gonna continue to the upside. Maybe $25, $26. But AVAX is looking pretty good. It looks like we had a nice little double bottom right here, or kind of like a double bottom. It looks like we had something like that. Maybe ascending triangle, something like this. Nice little breakout. Yeah, AVAX is looking nice. I like AVAX right here. Oh, 1 hour closed very nice too. Wow. Are there any AVAX news right now? The 1 hour on AVAX closed very nice. Pretty bullish, actually. I really like the 1 hour on AVAX. Wow. Let's have a look at the volume. Something had to happen. Something definitely that we don't know. Looks like the volume is slightly low. I think it could be a little bit higher than that. But it's looking really, it's looking pretty good. 43 minutes. All right, Ethereum's pushing right now. ETH is pushing to the upside. We came back, retested this area. I don't even know how I would draw this. Every time frame, it's like different. Every time frame is legit different. Guys, this is why you have to be careful, because every time frame will literally tell you a different story. It's kind of crazy. Icon Ashi on the 15 minutes is looking pretty good on Ethereum. The 15 minutes on Ethereum is looking pretty good. Wow, AVAX is really pushing right here. Oh my god, LITECOIN is running too. Look at that. And the volume, we got a volume spike on LITECOIN. And the what time frame is this? 1 hour? Yeah, we just started the 1 hour and we already beat the other volume. We already beat the volume on last hour on LITECOIN, and we still got 42 minutes. We could definitely see another type of run like we saw right here. Like on LITECOIN, we could definitely see another run like that. I think we're gonna see 116 today. Like, call me crazy. I think we're gonna see 116 today on LITECOIN. I think we will. I think we will. Call me crazy, guys. I think we will. Look at that, 4%. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, if you are in my Discord, we're absolutely cooking. Make sure you guys join the Discord right here. Join BYDFi. Links in the description below. You get a $2,000 bonus right here. And make sure you guys join the Discord. Make sure you guys join the Discord. Let's see if we have to verify anyone. Let's see if we have to verify anyone else. Yeah, we do have to verify one person. You look pretty legit. 9 years on Discord. That looks pretty legit, right? Right, guys? That looks pretty freaking legit. So yeah, make sure you guys join the Discord if you guys want free VIP signals. And pretty much that's about it. Make sure you guys know I don't have any trade entries right now at the very moment. We gave all of our entries on the VIP already, which is free, so make sure you guys join it. But all of the trades, I don't think I'm going to be taking a trade live. We have way too many trades open. We got 4 trades open. Yeah, guys, this is the BYDFi platform though. It's very nice. It's very clean. If you guys want to use BYDFi or have a little bit of a problem navigating through it, or want to know about leverage or whatnot, make sure you guys ask now. I know I'm going to make a tutorial soon on BYDFi, but if you guys have any questions, make sure you guys ask right now. All right, Ethereum's looking nice. Ethereum's looking nice, and LITECOIN's looking nice too. Yeah, we're looking pretty good right here. I am not going to lie to you. I think we're going to see the breakout. Space Shuttle Blue, if you're short, I don't want to say anything, but it's very possible we come back up and retest this order block right here at 3670 on Ethereum. I think we're going to have... Oh my god, didn't someone in this group said he entered at 3670? What is up with you guys buying the tops? I don't understand. I just realized someone said I bought at 3610. Oh my god, you guys love to buy the tops. You guys love to buy the tops. Is XRP making moves right now? Not really. It's still consolidating. XRP is still consolidating, but I think XRP could have a similar type of move like AVAX did. Where's AVAX? Right here. You're up 5%. XRP, so AVAX pretty much is the same thing. We came down, consolidated, and then exploded. I think if AVAX does manage, I mean AVAX, AVAX. I didn't mean AVAX. I really did not mean AVAX, guys. I think that if XRP does manage to essentially break above this level right here on these on the POC right above it, I think that's gonna be pretty good. I think that's gonna be pretty good if we break above this point of control. I think we're gonna essentially start running to the upside. Yeah, LTC is running. If you guys are on my Discord, LTC is running. LTC is running, guys. Litecoin is running. I told you guys that Discord is free, and I told you guys, I literally mentioned in the, I was so confident in the Discord. Let me tell you guys the Discord what happened. Okay, I was on the Discord. I was on LTC. I was scouting. It was like it was a morning, and I was like, wait a second, I'm seeing something on Litecoin that could be crazy. We saw a massive W pattern right here. This was a W pattern on Litecoin, and I was like, wait a second, this shit can explode. And I told you guys to enter right here, and we came back down a little bit. People were worried. They're like, yo, Dose, it's dumping, we got rejected. Bam, a few hours later, exploded to the moon. Guys, signals are absolutely for free. They're free. I'm not like most, you know. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, look at the volume. Where would you get into LTC on a pullback? Guys, I literally added more LTC here. I don't know, like, you should have been adding here. Like, whoever's in my Discord, you should have been adding. The Discord is free. Like, I don't know what you guys are waiting for. Join BYDFi, join the Discord, and come trade with us. You know what's funny? If we have a look right here at the trading chat, okay, look at this. Influencers are literally charging people $399 a month or $4,000 a year, literally for signals, literally for trading signals. Like, do you guys understand how absurd that is? Like, this is literally absurd. Like, $4,000 a year for trading signals. Like most people will literally charge you for their Discord too. Like, you want to access their Discord, pay up, pay $50, pay $100. You have to pay monthly too, otherwise you're kicked out if you don't pay monthly. So you literally have to pay like so much money. Like, we're talking about $500 a year just to literally get access to the Discord and nothing else. Here, if you literally want to trade with us, I'm trying to build the biggest trading community ever. Okay, this is my goal. I'm trying to build the biggest trading community. Okay, look at this Litecoin. We're printing right now. Look at that. Okay, we're up 78% on Litecoin. We're up 256% on Doge. All this is literally for free. I'm giving you guys for free. I want to give back to the community. I want to give back to the community, so I do that. Okay, I'm not here to make money off you guys. So, hence why I don't charge you guys. I don't want to charge you guys. This is literally like I don't need it. I don't need the $50 or the, you know what I'm saying? Like, it just doesn't make sense. And my goal is not to just bring people into the Discord just to follow my signals. Okay, my goal is to literally build the biggest trading community in the world. Like, I want that crypto trading. I want that. I want to give back. Like, I literally created a world chat. Like, we got Germany, Spanish, France, like Arab, India, Korea, Russia. Like, this is literally my goal. So if you guys have not joined the Discord, make sure you guys join the Discord right now. Let's see if we need to approve anyone. Because I know a lot of people can verify, and it's like you have to click verify, guys. I know a lot of people, maybe sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work, but if you don't click verify, you're not going to get access to pretty much all these channels. So make sure you guys hit the Discord. Make sure you guys join the Discord right now. Oh my god, look at this candle. Look at this. Look at this Litecoin. Look at that. Boom. Look at this volume. Holy shit. Look at this volume. The volume on Litecoin is insane. I would not short Litecoin here. I don't know what y'all are doing, but I would not short Litecoin here. KD is exploding too, I believe, right? Yeah, KD is exploding. It looks like we're nearing a breakout right now on KDA. Yeah, we had a nice little consolidation right here, and the volume spike is pretty good on KDA too. I'm not gonna lie, for a weekend, this is like it's looking pretty good. Stochastic RSI looking pretty good. It looks like we want to flip to the upside, but yeah, I mean it's looking nice. It's looking juicy. Litecoin's looking juicy. Yeah, but look at the 4-hour stock RSI. Like, we might consolidate on the 30 minutes. Like, I think I showed you this on the 30 minutes. Yeah, we might be oversold, overbought right here. But look on the Dino, look on the 4-hour time frame on Litecoin. We're absolutely we're sending right now. We're sending. I I gave you guys a TP of 116 on Litecoin, and it's looking pretty darn good. Whales use GPT-7 extracting liquidity. Game will get harder in the future. Whales use GPT-7 extracting liquidity. VR Emirates says. I use liquidity. I use GPT-8 extracting liquidity master. Yeah, those give away your. Yeah, those you're giving away value for nothing. Thanks, man. Oh yeah, I mean it's not for nothing. I want to build a strong crypto community. I want everyone to come in and talk to one another and help one another, and I don't know. Pretty much that's about it. But if you want to talk to me more directly, obviously I talk a lot in the VIP chat. I help you guys a lot in the VIP chat as well, which is the VIP chat. So if you guys have any questions, of course, make sure you guys join the VIP chat, and I pretty much answer all your questions. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Yeah, we're looking solid. PEPE is looking good right here. Ethereum's looking nice. I think LTC Madness on Sol too. I think we're gonna get the breakout that we want on ETH. Yeah, let's go back on ETH right here. I think we're gonna get the breakout. Yeah, I said we're gonna get the breakout on this live too, and it looks like we're getting it. It looks like we're getting it. Let's see. We still got 33 minutes. I don't want to be overly hype. Bitcoin is the Bitcoin dominance pumping right now? The Bitcoin dominance is dumping. Yes, this is good for us. This is good. The Bitcoin dominance is dumping. This is what we want to see. Hell yeah. That's actually what we want to see. We want to see the Bitcoin dominance dumping. We don't want to see the Bitcoin dominance pumping, actually. All right, Ethereum's on a verge on breaking out. Litecoin, oh my titties. Oh my God, Litecoin. Oh my God. Okay, here's why I'm super bullish on Litecoin right now. This is what's crazy. First of all, do you guys know what's happening next week? There's literally $100 million flowing into Litecoin next week. Like, do you guys know that? Do you know what $100 million is? $100 million is flowing into Litecoin this week. $100 million. That is insane. What do you buy usually on spot? I have KDA on spot, Ethereum, Solana, but it's all on a ledger. What's good to enter? Yeah, it's too late for LTC. Yeah, it's too late. Dribble 72. Make sure you join the Discord. Make sure you join BYD5, man. Make sure you join it. A lot of people are like, oh, but Dose, I don't want to join another platform. I don't want to get used to it. Guys, they're literally all the same. They're literally all the same. Join BYD5. You could get some pretty nice bonuses right here, and you could print with us. You could literally print with us. Oh my God, this is the largest 30-minute candle we have seen since. Oh my God, I cannot believe this. This is insane. This is insane. Litecoin is exploding. Oh my God, look at the volume, and we got 1 minute left. Oh my God, I need to go on the VIP chat real quick. Oh my, let's see the trading PNL. Let's see how people are printing. Look at that. This is literally free VIP on my Discord, and y'all are freaking insane. Like, no one even thought. People are like, oh, Litecoin's dead. It's never gonna do anything. Like, you look, 110%, 88%. If you guys took this Litecoin trade, make sure you guys drop it in the trading PNL. If you took this trade, we got 35 seconds until the 30-minute time frame opens. Let's see what happens right here. Coin DCX hack $44 million. Isn't that an Indian exchange? Like why would you trade with that? And $44 million is not even that much. So it's not even that big of a deal. Like, yeah, it's an Indian crypto exchange. No one gives a fuck. As long as, like, I'm not trying to be rude or anything towards Indian, but as long as it's not fucking Binance or Coinbase or anything like that, it's fine. Or Binance, Coinbase, what else? Bybit. As long as it's not the top like 4 or 5 exchange, I think it's fine. Bro, I made 202% thanks to you. If you want to make, like, if you guys want to make more, just join the Discord and join VIP. It's literally that simple. Freaking make sure you guys put the trading PNL. Put it on the trading PNL right here. Look at 37%. People are absolutely cooking right here. Cooking. Absolutely cooking. Ethereum's pumping. Look at that. Oh my God. We're getting the same pump that we got last week. Guys, remember the massive pump we got last week? We got such a big fat pump. Charles Schwab probably buying LTC or another charter bank. I guess that's what's happening going forward. No, actually, it's not that. It's, if we have a look right here at Charlie Lee, I actually retweeted on my Twitter, and he actually said that $100 million will be flowing. $100 million will be invested into Litecoin next week. That's 1.3% of the market cap of LTC. 100 million is a very memorable number to me, whatever he said, how important it is, but that's $100 million. $100 million. That is insane. That is literally absurd. That's insane. PEPE is also pumping those. Yeah, PEPE is not so much, but it's pumping. I mean, I would like to see a nice little breakout out of here, but yeah, it's pumping. PEPE is looking good. Hopefully Ethereum can pump, because if Ethereum pumps, then yeah, PEPE is going to pump. Let's see what happens here with Ethereum. It looks like Ethereum's trying to break out right here on this triangle, horizontal triangle on Ethereum. It looks like we're trying to break out. Hopefully we come back and retest this 3671 right here, looking pretty good. But oh my geez, holy crap. Okay, we got a beautiful candle on Litecoin. I'm not gonna lie, beautiful. We got a beautiful 30-minute closure. The 4-hour candle does close in 28 minutes right here, which is looking pretty good. But our trade is looking fantastic. These are our trades right here. Look at that, 99%. So 200. Oh my, this is insane. That is insane. Oh my God, our Litecoin trade is going bananas right now. Oh my God. That is literally crazy. That is literally crazy. Nothing makes me happier though than you guys taking my trades and printing with me. Like, I know we don't always win and stuff like that, but when you guys win big, and I like it. 110%, 30 cent. Like, these are big. These are not peanuts, man. Like, you guys are printing more than me in terms of percentage. That's pretty freaking good. Oh my God. And Litecoin's not it's not stopping. Litecoin is not stopping. Litecoin is not stopping. Let's go, baby. Let's go. How big is this pump? 9% from the bottom. Let's see, 100. Yeah, this is an 11% pump. Wow, Litecoin is absolutely killing it. What a trade. What a trade. LTC USDT. What a freaking trade. Wow. Wow. What a trade. What a trade. If you guys are in my Discord and you guys took this trade, congratulations. That is freaking amazing, I have to say. And if you guys kept that trade open, also congratulations, because it's definitely not easy to keep a trade open like that. I know a lot of people were worried. Bam. Beautiful, beautiful. People are printing. I love it. I love it. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. Oh my God, Litecoin's exploding. Oh my God, look at that, guys. Our LTC trade. Let me just hide other pairs real quick. No, this is Ethereum. I want to hide other pairs. I want to focus on LTC right now, because LTC was one of our main freaking position that we took. Okay, so I'm hiding other pairs for now, because we're gonna start taking profit very soon. $116 was my TP, obviously, if you guys are in my Discord on my free VIP. But holy crap, make sure you guys join my Discord if you guys want these free signals right now, because we are absolutely printing together. Oh my goodness gracious, guys. Oh my God, let's see if I need to verify anyone on my Discord real quick. Wait, two new messages. Let's see. Oh my God, yo, Fresh Breezy, 315%. Are you kidding me, bro? You took 3. Oh my God, bro, I love it. Yo, Rejo, no way, 222%. You guys are absolutely killing it. Oh my God. Everyone was like, yo, Litecoin is so slow. It's so like, it doesn't pump in bull markets. It's usually like doesn't do anything. And look, Litecoin's literally a top gainer. What else is up 9% today? All right, we got KDA. KDA is doing good. We're holding KDA on spot. And what else? No, that's it. We just got KDA. Yeah, KDA, yeah. KDA and Litecoin is absolutely exploding. Look at that, 2 good trades. Like, wow, I would not worry. By the way, even if we do come back here, by the way, I do want to say something for us Litecoin holders, people who took the trade. It's very possible that we do something like that, come back a little bit. But guys, we survived all this. we took the trade right here. We saw our gains come all the way up to 111, came back down. We were patient. If you guys are in my Discord, we were patient, especially on my free VIP. I told you guys, be patient. I don't think it's going to be bad. I told you guys I might close a Litecoin trade if we come anywhere below this level. We did not close below this level. We kept it open. We freaking kept the Litecoin trade open. We kept the Doge trade open. Things are absolutely pumping. And pretty much that's about it. Oh my God, is Ethereum exploding? Ethereum is not. Hopefully Ethereum can do something like that too. Ahmed said, bro, I started on crypto a month ago and this LTC is my biggest profit until now. Thank you. You are a genius. Of course, brother. Congratulations on the freaking position and that this is your freaking biggest position. Love to hear it. Love to hear it. I love it. I really love it, guys. I love it. I love that you guys are printing. We're going to print together and we're going to keep on printing together because the Discord and the VIP is free. So make sure you guys sign up with BYD5 because if you guys want access to all the trades, deposit $500 into your account. You could deposit more depending how much you deposit right here. You could do $2,000 deposit, $1,500. Minimum is $500 to essentially get into the VIP, but obviously it is free. If you want to get started, you need $500. I recommend traders to start with $500. Why? Because if you start with $100, you're going to put everything into that position and you might get wrecked in that position and the 3 other positions might pump. Okay, hence why I recommend $500 so you have enough capital to take multiple trades at a time because it's not enough for multiple trades. Let's have a look at the comments right here. You're not taking profit dose. You know what? I'm going to take 25% just because you guys said it. I don't want to be greedy. I took 25% on Doge. We have not taken profit one time. We didn't take profit one time on LTC. So we're going to go ahead and close 25% on this position right here. Let's see. All right. We're going to take less than 25%. Why is it not letting me close 25%? Oh, because the position is too much. Okay, let's do it manually then. All right. We're going to do it manually here. Let's do 24,000 right here. All right, we already took, what is it, 55? Yeah, 55k. Let's add more. We don't want to be too greedy. I don't think it's gonna come back down to our target to how we were today, by the way. I don't think so. I don't think, like, I just don't think we're gonna come that low, in my opinion. I really don't think so. But PEPE is rocking right now, up 2%. Ethereum is attempting to break out. If Ethereum does break out, we're most likely gonna see everything break out, guys. The market is back, and I told you guys yesterday, once CME futures closes, the freaking Ponzi ass market, we're most likely gonna fly, and this is exactly what is happening right now. If you guys have not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe. If you guys have not liked, make sure, if you guys have not liked, make sure you guys like. If you guys have not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe. That was a little bit of a fail. A little bit of a fail, but it's okay. Anyways, yeah, to take profit on LTC can be too greedy, guys. I didn't take so much profit. LTC keeps on running. Like I took 80k profit. That's like, I still have like a massive position open. But Doge is pumping. Ethereum, look at that. Ethereum's running. PEPE is running as well. We're up 14% on PEPE. If you guys are not in my Discord, make sure you guys join the Discord. Let's have a look at some of the trading P&Ls right here. General chat, what is going on right here? Hi there, hello. Oh, newcomers are coming. All right. Make that sound money again in the stream. Please do it, sir. All right. You guys wanted the sound? All right. You guys like it? There you go. All right. I took 50% on Litecoin. That's fine. You could take it. Profit is always good. The good trades make up for those falls, those. No need to bro that. The good trades make up for the those failed. All right, let's see. All right, Ethereum. We're looking for the Ethereum because we do have a massive position open on Ethereum right now. We have approximately, yeah, Ethereum's by far biggest position. We got 10 mil on Ethereum. Yeah, we have a lot on Ethereum open right now. My TP on ETH. Join the Discord, join the VIPs. Sitting. These are my TP right here. 3639, 3710, 3830. guys, I don't always do live, by the way. If you guys want to support me, make sure you guys join the Discord, because I don't always take these trades live. Sometimes they're already up. So if you guys want these trades 24/7, make sure you guys join the Discord. I am literally never awake. Sorry, I'm never sleeping. You guys can't. I sleep like 2 hours a day. I'm pretty sure some of you guys know this already by now. I went live yesterday at 6 a.m. Like I went live the night before at like, I don't know, 11 p.m. Like, I just don't sleep. I don't sleep. I don't sleep, fam. Oh my God, Litecoin is absolutely ripping it right now. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my God. Insider said XCZ will pump again to 1.298. I don't know, man. I don't know. He sleeps during his streams. He just doesn't know. Yeah, that's actually very true. I've fallen asleep on these streams multiple times, actually. Guys, we are 3 subscribers away from 20,850. Make sure you guys subscribe if you guys have not subscribed. Let's have a look at Ethereum. Where is Ethereum doing? Ethereum is being a little bit sleepy. Ethereum is looking a little bit tired right now. But hopefully we could have that nice little increase. We got 18 minutes left until the 1 hour candle close on Ethereum. So things are looking okay. But yeah, LTC is absolutely sending, guys. We are absolutely cooking. The VIP is absolutely cooking. If we have a look right here, I believe it was a swing trade right here. Where was it? LTC. All right, I was so confident. I was like, I don't know how LTC fails here. Breakout, retest, POC support, long here. I believe we see massive pump in LTC in the coming days. Massive increase of volume 2 at the breakout. I gave you guys a stop loss. I gave you guys a take profit. So if you guys were in the Litecoin trade, that was literally a couple days ago. Okay, that was literally a couple days ago, a few days ago. Okay, so July 16. You guys should have taken it. I don't know if you guys took it or not, but this thing is absolutely cooking. This trade is absolutely cooking right now. So make sure you guys get into the VIP chat. Bro, we printing. Hell yeah, take some profit this time. It's all good. Taking profit is completely good. Taking profit is completely good, guys. Make sure you guys take profit. You know, don't be shy, obviously. I took a little bit of profit too. It's completely okay to take profit, but let's have a look at Ethereum. Oh! Ethereum, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Ethereum is pumping. Let's go. Can you tell me? All right, we're going to have to put you on timeout, sir. I'm sorry. 24 hours. Ethereum is pumping. Litecoin is pumping right now. Maybe we see a consolidation on Litecoin in the coming minutes. Wow. And for those of you guys who are in my VIP, let's talk about this. Let's talk about what I said yesterday on my VIP after the live, okay? Let's see what I said on my VIP on the live right here. Let's see. I said the Ponzi CME futures has closed. Time to send everything. Okay, for those of you guys who don't know, the CME is the Bitcoin futures chart in America on the Chicago exchange, and pretty much they like to manipulate things. Okay, and last week when it closed, we saw the massive pump on Bitcoin, which absolutely sent all the altcoins. Okay, it sent all the altcoins. Okay, so we're gonna have another gap on the CME futures, in my opinion. Look at that. We closed the CME at 117,620. Bitcoin right now is currently sitting at 118,011, and this is what we needed. We need the CME futures to close. We need everything to close to essentially send everything. Wow, this thing is absolutely exploding. Make sure you guys join the Discord if you guys haven't. Wow, look at this. This is a nice little breakout. I think we're gonna go to 3,670 today. I think we're gonna see it. Hopefully in the next 15 minutes though on Ethereum, we could see a massive green dildo on the volume. Hopefully, this is what I'm hoping for, because on the 4-hour time frame, we're looking pretty good. Look how oversold we are on the 4-hour time frame. And the last time we were oversold right here on the 4-hour time frame on Ethereum was, we were right here. Okay, we were all the way down there, and then we essentially took it to the upside. So let's see what happens here in the next, I would say, 15 minutes. Hopefully we could have a clean closure on Ethereum, but things overall right now are looking pretty darn great. LTC is absolutely sending right now. Beautiful green dildo on LTC right here on the 4-hour time frame. We got 15 minutes left officially on Litecoin until everything pretty much closes, or not closes, until this is a nice little confirmed bullish engulfing candle. But look at this. This is one of the biggest 4-hour candle we have seen on Litecoin, and it's very bullish. Look at that. If Litecoin closes like this, it's going to be very bullish. Let's have a look at some of our trades right here on Litecoin. 118% on LTC. Doge trade 266%. Ethereum 14%. Not so great, but it is one of our biggest positions, obviously. So things are looking pretty good. Let me see. Let me have a look right here. 1 second. Let's see right here what's going on. All right, that's looking fire. That's looking fire. Our trades are looking fire. Let's see what happens here in the next 15 minutes. All right, we got a change of structure right here on Ethereum too, so that's beautiful. The fact that we have a change of structure is very, very nice on the Heiken right here. Looking pretty good, looking juicy. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Yeah, our positions are exploding. If you guys have not signed up with BYD-Fi, of course, make sure you guys sign up. You get a $2,000 bonus. The link's in the description below, and you get access to my free VIP channel, which you get access to swing trades, market analysis, VIP chat, and pretty much everything else. So make sure you guys essentially sign up. Let's have a look right here. Ethereum, look at that. Boom. He took my Ethereum trade, 20x, up 13% already. People are absolutely printing in my Discord, so make sure you guys come in my Discord. It's absolutely for free. I'm trying to build the biggest trading community ever in crypto, and we are just getting there. We just started and we are just getting there. Okay, do you have a job as well apart from YouTube? I don't make money from YouTube. I don't make money. Panda00, I don't make money from YouTube. I do not make money from YouTube. Most of my videos, in fact, cannot be monetized. So if we have a look right here on YouTube, and we have a look on the content, and we have a look on the lives, I'm actually not monetizing these videos right here. Look, ineligible, off. I don't make money from YouTube. This is all for fun. This is all for, you know, to vibe with you guys. My goal, like I said, is to build the biggest trading crypto community ever. So like, I'll make maybe like $100 from YouTube on regular videos or shorts, but I don't know. I still have yet to even withdraw that money. Maybe I'll do a giveaway. Maybe I'll do a giveaway from my YouTube, how do you call that? You know what? I'll do a giveaway. I will do a giveaway from my YouTube because I didn't withdraw it, and I'll give away some money to whoever's in my Discord. I'll give away some money. I'll do a giveaway on, I'm supposed to be getting it, I believe, when does YouTube pay? I don't even know when they pay. Maybe the end of the month? I'll have a look and I'll do a giveaway on whatever I earn from YouTube this month. Whatever I earn from YouTube this month, I'll do a giveaway on that. Because I do make money still from the regular videos, but it's very, very little amount. It's probably $10 per video. And let's say I do 30 videos, maybe $300. But I don't really look at that. I like to vibe with you guys. I like to meet new people. I'm trying to build, bro, the VIP is free. There's no need to do a giveaway. There's no need to do a giveaway VIP. It's literally for free, man. Sign up with BYD-Fi and you'll get in. Sign up with BYD-Fi and you'll get in. The VIP is free, fam. Let's have a look at Ethereum right here. It looks like it's pulling back. We do have a change of structure, which is good. These are the Heiken candles right here. We do have a breakout, so we came back down and retested this breakout right here. We did have a breakout right here. Do I need to deposit 500? You need to deposit $500 into your BYD-Fi account. You're gonna get a 75 bonus. Not only if you deposit 500, you're gonna get a $75 bonus. But yeah, after that, you're gonna go ahead and join VIP right here, free VIP access. After you do that, you're depositing into your wallet. Like I said a few minutes ago, the reason why we recommend $500 is because let's say there's one trade open and you only have $100. You're gonna most likely go in all in with $100, and you're just gonna be mad because I give multiple trades. You're just gonna be mad if that one trade goes down and then the 3 other goes up. You're gonna go ahead and enter your UID right here, and then you're automatically gonna get access to that. But yes, we recommend $500. I think in order to start trading, in my opinion, you need to start at least with $500 to $1,000. At least. This is like the basic minimum. You need at least $500 to $1,000. Right, but I don't have the BYD-Fi $500 deposit. I wish I can. What do you mean? You could just deposit, bro. Oh, unless you're saying you don't have the funds anywhere in crypto and other. Do you have in other exchanges? You could, if you deposit from other exchanges, that's okay too. Those after the ball warn, we're gonna go party in Vegas to celebrate. Yeah, with a lot of cigars too. Just withdraw it and donate some food to the homeless, bless the needy. That's not a bad idea. Maybe I will do that. You know what? Maybe I will do that. That's very nice of you. No, the $500 is not for me. It's not for me, guys. To join VIP, it's for you to start trading. You need $500 to start trading. That's what we recommend. Because a lot of people, they'll deposit, let's say $100 or $50 or even $200, and they're gonna get super mad. Because what they're gonna do is they're gonna go all in without $200 balance. They're gonna go all in, and then when I drop another trade, they're gonna be like, oh shit, those, but I didn't take your other trade. Hence why I increased it. ETH is pumping, Litecoin is pumping. Litecoin, beautiful trade for those of you guys who took it. Beautiful, fantastic, beautiful trade. Wow, Litecoin is, wow, it's absolutely sending right now. We need money sound here. Use a VPN, brother. I use a VPN. Use a VPN. If you can access, use a VPN. Use a VPN. VPN, NordVPN. Use a NordVPN. NordVPN, ExpressVPN, FreeVPN. There's a bunch of VPNs out there that you could use. Use it, guys. Don't be shy. Use it. Send me your UID after you signed up. The more you deposit, the more you could get. This is for you, by the way. By the way, all rewards for you could ask Fresh Breezy, you could ask a bunch of people right here. All the rewards were distributed. So it's not like you need to do $100 million worth of volume to get the reward. Like, a bunch of people got the reward and people are absolutely running it. So I cannot verify because I'm from Mongolia. They are not. That's weird. It should work. It should work. If it doesn't work in your region, make sure you go to the help section right here on support and follow this right here. Follow this and download this right here, and then you should be able, no, you don't need to verify. You don't need a KYC, brother. You don't need a KYC. You do not need to KYC. BYDFi is a non-KYC exchange. You do not need to KYC to join BYDFi. You do not need to KYC. Just deposit crypto from another exchange. You do not need to KYC though. You do not need to KYC, fam. Masi Tricks, guten Morgen. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening for everyone. What do you mean, Masi Tricks? Are you serious? You didn't take the trade right here? Litecoin's absolutely exploding. Did you not keep that trade open? Come on, tell me you kept that trade open. Come on, you had to keep the trade open. Come on. I gave you guys the Litecoin trade and you guys closed it. Guten Abend. Oh, it's evening in Germany. Yeah, true. Or afternoon. Devils36056 says, yo, what's up, brother? Are you new to the stream? If you are, welcome to the stream. Obviously, everyone's welcome here. If you guys have not joined the Discord, make sure you guys join the Discord to get access to my free VIP trades. If you guys are interested, all you need to do is deposit $500 into BYDFi so you can go ahead and start trading. So make sure you guys essentially deposit $500 into BYDFi and start printing with us. You guys can see I made a few calls on the Discord. We're up on PEPE 18%. We're up on Ethereum 12%. We're up on DOGE 261%. And we're up on LTC 108%. Bam. LTC just needs to hit that TP stop playing. Let's have a look at LTC right here. Like I said, guys, a small consolidation is nothing to worry about for Litecoin, in my opinion. We had a nice little pump right here. A consolidation is okay before we continue exploding to $116. Nothing too crazy to essentially see right here. It's 10 p.m. right now. Okay, I understand. 10 p.m. I got my liquidation because my fault. I start soon when I'm ready. I get liquidation because my fault. I don't understand, bro. Did you get liquidated in my VIP? Did you use over leverage? Back after a long time, bro. Big up. Big up. Back after a long time. Are you new to the stream though? Bro, can I go in a trade or not? I would not recommend going into the trade. I already gave a bunch of trades on my VIP. I gave a bunch of trades, okay? I gave a bunch of trades right here. If we have a look right here on my VIP swing signals, I gave you guys an ETH trade. I gave you guys a PEPE trade. I gave you guys a bunch of other trades right here. I gave you guys a DOGE trade. I gave you guys a more printing, okay? Make sure you guys join my Discord if you guys want to print with us. I don't know what else to tell you. Is CryptoDose Clan invitation code? CryptoDose Clan indeed is the invitation code. Yes, you could use that. You could use CryptoDose Clan as the invitation code. Hold my Nescafe. Yes. And guys, you don't need to KYC. Wow. All right. Ethereum 1 hour candle is closing in about 3 minutes and 38 seconds on the 15-minute time frame. It looks like we will close above this breakout right here. We did have a nice little beautiful change of structure right here on the Ethereum. We got 3 minutes left. This is going to be a pretty big one in my opinion. And on the 4-hour time frame, guys, we got 3 minutes and 24 seconds left before Ethereum does close, Litecoin does close properly on the 4-hour time frame. Massive green candle right here on Litecoin. Beautiful pump. Stochastic RSI are oversold. It looks like we are getting ready to essentially make another run on Litecoin. Would you get in here? No, I wouldn't. I would not get in. I think it's too late, but there's going to be other opportunities, of course, in my Discord. So make sure you guys join my Discord because there's definitely going to be more opportunities. Let's have a look at Ethereum right here and monitor Ethereum on the 1 hour time frame. 2 minutes and 52 seconds left before we essentially close it. No, put your UID right here. Put your UID right here. Get free VIP access. Put your UID right here. UID right here. Put it there. Trading PNL. We got Will the Thrill right here, up 110% and 38% on Jupiter. Very nice. All right. Ethereum is sending. Let's go, baby. Let's see how we can how much we could close right here. If you guys have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Martial law, it could still go to the mid-30s before a pullback. No. Are you talking about Litecoin? Yes, I think Litecoin could go to 130 before the pullback. Yes. I think we could even go to 350 in my opinion. In the VIP yesterday, I said that Litecoin could be one of my biggest trade. I think I even have a TP set right here. Do I have a TP set? Yeah, I might take profit for Litecoin is 193, which would be a massive freaking win. That would be one of my biggest positions ever and my biggest win. 1.3 million. Yeah, I mean that I mean, God willing, who knows. All right, 1 minute and 38 seconds before the 15-minute time frame closes and before the 4-hour time frame closes. Let's see what happens here. If you guys have not signed up with BYDFi newcomers who are here on this live stream, you can get up to a $2,000 bonus right here. So make sure you guys sign up. The link will be in the description below. Let's see if I need to accept anyone on the Discord. Let's see. Let's refresh this. Do we need to accept anyone? All right, we need to accept one more person right here. Let's go ahead and accept 1,191 people on the Discord, by the way. 1,191. Wow. We started the Discord a few days ago or a couple of weeks ago with literally, I don't know, like 500 people. And we are 1,191, close to 1,200 people on the Discord. That is absolutely insane. Invite your friends, invite your family, invite your grandma, invite your cousin, invite everyone that you know on the street onto the Discord, because I'm literally building the biggest trading community ever on Discord, the crypto trading community. Zombie Fish, I did verify you already. So make sure you guys join the Discord. I'm going to go ahead and drop the link for the 9th time below in the chat, because I know a lot of people come in and get out right here. So make sure you guys essentially join the Discord. The Discord is for winners only. Winners only. W. Beautiful. Hourly candle close, 4 hour, 12 seconds left. Let's have a look. 12 seconds left until we close the hourly. Let's see what happens here. 5, Beautiful closure, guys. Beautiful closure. High volume, beautiful closure. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wow. This is what we needed. Very bullish engulfing. Look at that. All the gains right here, all the losses, all the downtrend, we took it all up in one candle. Benzomatic, I cannot see your UID because numbers here, I don't know why they just don't show on the screen. So make sure you put your UID right here and to enter via BYD-Fi UID. Make sure you enter it right here. Enter it right here. Is Ethereum breaking out? Oh yeah, Ethereum fair value gap right here on Ethereum, looking beautiful. PEPE is exploding too. Look at that. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. On the 4 hour, did we get a breakout on the 4 hour? Yeah, we got the closure. Let's see what happens here on the 4 hour on Ethereum. It looks like we are crossing back up to the upside, looking pretty good. Yeah, Litecoin is beautiful. I wouldn't be surprised, by the way. Don't get too excited. Don't get too excited, but I wouldn't be surprised if we come back here and retest. Bro, why is the BYD-Fi bonus so low? I told you guys that the bonus was already high for BYD-Fi, and they told me that BYD-Fi told me that we don't think we'll be able to do the bonus again. The first deposit bonus, they said we don't think we'll be able to do it, and I'm like, listen, there's a lot of people who didn't sign up yet. They want to sign up. Please extend it. And they're like, okay, we're gonna extend it, but only by 30% lower. So instead of you getting, let's say $200, you're gonna get $1,000. Okay. I got advantage of for 500 sign up bonus, like 150%. Yeah, but you have to do a bunch of other things. You have to do like $100 million worth of volume. Here, if you deposit $20,000, you move it to futures. You don't even have to use it. You will literally get $2,000. Rather that if you go to MEXC, for example, it says right here, I don't even know, where's the bonus right here for MEXC? Like, this is just a quick example. Here, claim up to $8,000 worth of bonuses. That is literally bullshit. You cannot do that. You cannot claim unless 1, you KYC, unless 2, you do like literally $50 million worth of volume on futures, unless you use 200 leverage one time, unless you do 70 trades. You cannot claim $8,000 here. If you literally deposit 20K and transfer to futures, you don't even need a trade. After 2 days, you're literally gonna get $2,000 for free, and you could use it and leverage it and do 100x, do whatever the hell you want and keep the profit, which is pretty fantastic. MEXC, all these things, Bluffin, they offer you 10,000, 50,000, 30. It's all shit. Bybit, like I think even Bybit has it. Like it's all bullshit in my opinion. Like if you go on Bybit right here, $6,000 worth of bonuses, like it's all bullshit. Like you can't really get that. You're not gonna get that unless you freaking. I tried putting in my UID, bro, and it doesn't work. Bro, please follow the instructions. Please, you need to deposit at least $500 into your wallet. We recommend people to start with $500 to start trading, okay? Obviously, you could do more, but we recommend people $500 so you don't get tilted, okay? So you don't get tilted. Don't get tilted. Someone in my group, you guys saw what someone said here. They said, my bad, bro. I won 100x with $150. That's all I had. And then I lost it all, okay? Just because I put a trade doesn't mean it's going to succeed 100% of the time. We've gone stopped a couple of times, or a few times actually, but our wins are definitely much bigger than our losses, and that's what matters, okay? That's what matters. Let's have a look right here real quick. All right, hopefully a breakout on Ethereum right here. Boom. Let's see if we get a breakout right here on Ethereum. That'd be beautiful if we get that breakout right here. By the way, if you did deposit $500, let's say, and you can get access to it, send me your UID on help. Send your UID on help, and I'll try to help you, or the BYD-Fi support will help you. All right, let's see what's happening here. Can I do the app BYD-Fi on German? Yes, you can. You could do the BYD-Fi app in German. Yes, you can. You can. Your English is not bad. You could do it. You 1000% could do it in French, German, Arabic, whatever you guys want. You could do it in all the languages in the world if you want. Let's see if I need to approve anyone right here on my Discord. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and verify you. I know the MeBot is having a little bit of an issue, but pretty much if this doesn't work after you verify a couple times, yeah. Does it have to be USDT deposit? It could be Bitcoin, USDT, Solana, it could be anything. It does not have to be USDT. But yeah, regarding Litecoin fam, I would not be surprised if we come back here and retest this level right here. I would not be surprised. All right, Ethereum is attempting to break out right here. Please, Ethereum, please, let's go. Send it. Send it, ETH. Send it, baby. Send it. Send it. Let's go. Maybe next time I come then in VIP. Why next time? Do it now. You could do it now. It's free. All you need is $500 to start. Like in your account, you need to deposit $500. Grid play, bro. Subbed. Which play did you take? Did you take the Ethereum play or did you take the Litecoin? Which one? We give a bunch of plays right here. I don't even know. I can't even. Doge, we're up 260%. We already took massive profit on Doge right here. We took fat profits on Litecoin already. Ethereum, we didn't take profit yet, and PEPE, we didn't take profit yet. Take us to the moon like LTC. Let's go. Oh, it's the old bit yard? What does that mean? What does that mean? Yeah, Ethereum's a good long breakout. Yeah. Masi, you could take it. Masi. Guys, it's the weekend, and you know what that means. I think we're gonna pump this weekend. Yeah, I could have a look right here at sushi. Wow, sushi had a beautiful breakout from this W pattern right here on sushi swap. Had a nice beautiful breakout right here, beautiful change of structure, kill this order block. We're most likely gonna retest right here 1.36. Would I take the long right here? No, probably not, but it's nice. It's nice. Ethereum is coming up and retesting this nice little area right here. We also have a change of structure on Ethereum as well. Let's see if we could break this order block. We do have a slight resistance as well right here. In my opinion, oh, you know what? We broke that trend line. F yeah. We broke that trend line. Hell yeah. We broke that trend line. Litecoin's pumping. We're most likely going to take 116 right here on Litecoin. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty darn good. General chat, what are you guys saying right here? Yeah, ignore. It is not me. It is not me. Those have a lot of twins. Everyone's trying to be like me, but it's not me. It is not me. I'm sorry. Welcome to crypto, guys. Everyone's trying to scam. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say, fam. I really don't know what to say. I'm sorry. Let's go, ETH. Let's go, baby. Send it. ETH needs to send already, man. If ETH sends, by the way, PEPE sends too. If Ethereum sends, PEPE is gonna send as well. Hence why we need, yeah, that's why we need Ethereum to send. We need Ethereum to send. There's no question. We need Ethereum to send. 78,000 up on ETH. Already took 40k profit. Should I take more profits? I have flipped 5k into 70k. Yeah, bro, take profit, man. Are you out of your mind? Take profit. If you flip 5k into 78k, fuck yeah, take profit. Are you out of your mind? You don't need to close your whole position, but I would definitely take profit, like at least $20,000. Man, that is crazy, especially if you flipped only 5K to it. Oh, you already took 40K? No, let it run then. Let it run. Ethereum is gonna run. If Ethereum breaks the... Here, let me open a new chart real quick. This is Coinbase. Let me open a new chart right here. Let me just explain to you guys what happens if Ethereum breaks this. Ethereum USD. Yeah, we could do Bitstamp too. Let's have a look at the monthly time frame. Here's the thing. Here's the thing with Ethereum. If Ethereum breaks this resistance right here, and I'm talking, this is a resistance from like, this is a resistance from, If Ethereum breaks this resistance from 2021, I mean, we're most likely gonna get a dildo to $8,000. Yeah, we're gonna get a dildo to $8,000. How to get the image of your gains from BYD, from the trade on BYD Fire. You're gonna go right here on BYD Fire. You're gonna go click on that thing right here. There's like this share thing. You're gonna go click on that share, and then you're essentially gonna get it. And pretty much that's about it. Pretty simple, I think. But yeah, if Ethereum breaks that, like, we're gonna get that massive dildo that everyone is looking for, in my opinion. All right, let's see if Ethereum can push right here. We got 48 minutes left. LTC keeps on pushing right here. We're very, very close to our TP1. If you guys are in my Discord and then the free VIP, this is the BYD5 VIP right here. It's free VIP access, you guys can see. But our swing signal, the first target for LITECOIN, where was it? Yeah, the first target for LITECOIN is $116. Like, you could take a little bit of profit there. Yeah, you could take a little bit of profit once we get to $116. I think it's gonna keep on running. If you guys want me to be honest with you, I think we're gonna keep on running though. I think we're gonna keep on running. Wow. All right, let's see what Ethereum does here. 15 minutes. It looks like we're getting rejected by this order block right here. Hopefully we could stand and close above it, because that would be really, really annoying if we can't. Yeah. Anyways, guys, we're absolutely cooking on our trades. I mean, even if, yeah, we're cooking. I mean, yeah. I have nothing to say. I really have nothing to say. The Bitcoin dominance is down. I know someone asked a question about altcoin season. Let me open a new chart and talk about the Bitcoin dominance real quick for those of you guys who maybe don't understand. All right, so the Bitcoin dominance right now is currently sitting at 61.67%. I spoke about these exponential moving average right here on the EMA ribbons, and you guys can see right here that if we essentially break below these exponential moving average, like close below on the weekly, because we never really had the closure right here on the weekly, right? This was not a proper closure. If we have the proper closure on the weekly below these exponential moving average, we're most likely going to go to the moon. Another thing that I want to talk about is on the EMA ribbon, or on Bitcoin dominance. This is the Bitcoin dominance. This is not the Bitcoin dominance. Where is it? This is the Bitcoin dominance. Another thing I want to have a look at on the Bitcoin dominance is this right here. This is kind of like a downtrend resistance right here. How do I get the bonus? Is there a link or something? Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and send you the link right here. You can get a $2,000 bonus, obviously. And guys, the good thing about this is that if you don't need it's not like there's a time frame that you need to trade. I know a lot of exchanges are like, oh, in order for you to get the $2,000 bonus, you need to essentially trade $100 million worth of volume to get the $10,000. No, here it's very simple. You literally deposit 20K, let's say, you transfer it to futures. Not only do you get to trade with us, you get to get access to all the VIP section, scalp signals, market analysis, VIP, whatever. Let me just put this right here. No, what's right here, I think, right? But you get to also get a fat bonus, so pretty good. Let's have a look right here at Ethereum. Ooh, not a fan of the 1 hour candle, but we still have 45 minutes. It's okay. We still got 45 minutes. Let's have a look at the 5 minute right here real quick, see where we at. Overall, I mean, it's looking fine. We could come back down, and as long as we stay above this level, in my opinion, as long as we stay above 3,572 on Ethereum, I think we're still bullish, because from the 15-minute time frame all the way to the 1 day, it's looking pretty darn bullish. Let's have a look right here at the, yeah, let's have a look at the visible range profile. Yeah, I don't think we go all the way down to 3554. I really don't think so. Anything is possible, but I don't think it's gonna happen. Another thing that I'm pretty bullish on that I really didn't speak about in this video is the total. So this is the total market cap of this is the other. Okay, so this is anything that's not in the top 10. And you guys can see the top 10 is actually up 1.63%, while the total, so anything that's like, so the whole crypto, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, is only up 0.36%. So altcoins are really sending right now. Smaller cap altcoin, anything outside of the top 10 are actually sending right now. 1.63% is really, really high. Billions of dollars right now are flowing into coins that are not on the top 10, which is pretty bullish. All right, going back into Litecoin, because Litecoin has a big dildo and I like it. Who doesn't like big dildos, right? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pump, guys. Beautiful pump. Litecoin's exploding. Ethereum's attempting to explode. XRP's up. Doge is up. Our trades are up. Good times. Can I get a clap? Can I get a clap? Make sure you guys subscribe. Smash and subscribe if you guys haven't, and join the free Discord. Everything is free on the Discord. Even if you want to join VIP, it's free. Let's see if we need to verify anyone on the, because the thing does have a little bit of problem sometimes. No, we don't. All right, cool. Guys, I'm gonna get water. I'll be back. I'm really thirsty. I'm going to get water. I'm gonna get water. Yeah, I need to get water. I'm sorry, fam. No, I'm kidding. All right, guys, I'm back. I am back. I am back. I am back. I am back. I'm here. All right, so we're coming back down and retesting this breakout. Nothing wrong with that, in my opinion. I think that's pretty healthy for Ethereum. I think we're still gonna have that breakout to the upside. Yeah, it's looking pretty darn juicy right now. It's looking pretty darn juicy. Look, breakout, retest, nothing too crazy. I think we could even come a little bit lower. I think like that. Yeah, I think we could do something like that, in my opinion. Let's see what happens here. Woo! Bam! Beautiful rebound. Let's go, ETH. Hopefully we can continue the pump right here. What a closure. The bulls are back. The bulls are freaking back. Let's go, baby. The bulls are back. Let's see Ethereum. Let's see what it does. LTC, let's see what LITECOIN's doing. Yeah, I don't think LITECOIN's gonna do that on the... Wow. 15 minutes. Yeah, LITECOIN's just consolidating. Like I said, guys, I told you guys we're gonna have a nice little consolidation on LITECOIN. This is exactly what's happening right now. Volume is dying down though a little bit. It is dying down, so we have to be careful. If you guys have not taken some profit, make sure you guys do. I already took some profit on LITECOIN, so make sure you guys are not greedy. But yeah, Ethereum had a nice little closure right here. Let's see, like kind of like an inverted hammer. Bro, I DM to your Discord my UID. Okay, where? Let me see 1 second. I'm answering you right now. Maybe people are selling LTC and coming over to buy ETH so we can have the same bull green parabolic bar on ETH. Yeah, maybe, very possible. I mean, there's not so much sell pressure on Ethereum right now. I mean, on LITECOIN. I think this is just a sideways consolidation before exploding. Ethereum though, I think Ethereum is gonna the 1 hour is looking ugly on Ethereum, but I think we're gonna have that reversal on that. Like, I think we're gonna pump right here. When does the 1 hour close on Ethereum? We got another 37 minutes. Yeah, well, I think, yeah, we're gonna get it. Even if we come back down here one more time, I think we're gonna end up pumping to the upside. We had a nice little break of structure right here, which is obviously good. If you guys have not liked the stream, make sure you guys like the stream. LITECOIN is going to blast for sure. I mean, yeah, like I said, if you guys are in my Discord, you guys are absolutely cooking right here. If you guys took the swing call on LITECOIN, this was the long on LITECOIN right here. This was the call on PEPE too, but LITECOIN right here. I said I don't know how LTC fails here. I literally told you guys to long LITECOIN. Ethereum is going slightly back up though. Let's see what happens here. Brand Varela says I'd put Pi on the watch list. How Bitcoin looking? I'm still holding long from 116,999. I think we're gonna have a breakout soon on Bitcoin. I listen, yeah, Bitcoin's consolidating right now. No, I think we're gonna have a breakout though. But altcoins are definitely taking over the Bitcoin party. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. Guys, a lot of people are DMing me and they're like, yo, it's not working. It's not working. I'm trying to get into the free VIP, but it's not working. you need to sign up with this link right here, because this link will be connected to this right here. It will be connected to the CryptoDose official account. And first of all, if you do sign up with that link, not only can you get bonuses, but it would all be connected. So when you get a free VIP access, click on this link, which will be obviously the CryptoDose link, and then you're gonna enter your BYD UID here. Otherwise, you won't be able to get access to the scalp signals, swing signals, market analysis, and all that. So make sure if you guys want free VIP access, make sure you enter your BYD UID here, and make sure you guys sign up with this link right here. Can you check cross USD? What the hell is cross USD, bro? Wow, that pump on Litecoin, I can't get over how crazy that pump on Litecoin was. That pump on Litecoin was absurd. That was insane. That was a crazy pump. Let's have a look at Ethereum right here. Oh my god. Oh. Wow. Whoo. Oh. Bro, I can't join VIP. It doesn't work. I deposit 600. Bro. Dude, I don't know what you guys are doing. Please read these directions. It's very, very simple. I have a bunch of people on my VIP right here. I have a bunch of people on the VIP. Everyone managed to do it. I don't know where you guys are in the world. And I'm not trying to say like your English is shit or what, but if you guys are in a different language, make sure you guys translate. It's very simple. You're going to click on this link, step 1. Okay. Step 2. You could get a limited bonus up to $2,000. After that, you're gonna deposit at least $500 into your wallet, so you could start trading your BYD wallet. Okay, now obviously you need to sign up with this link, like I said a few minutes ago, because if you don't sign up with this, then this bot right here will not understand where this is coming from. Okay, so after you did all that, you're gonna essentially then put your BYD UID, but make sure you guys sign up with this right here. Please read the directions. It's very, very simple, and pretty much that's about it. Please read, guys. It takes 2 minutes, please. You're drinking vodka and telling us it's water. Cheers. Where is everyone from here? I want to know where y'all from. Where are you guys from the world? Where are you guys from the world? How old are you guys? When did you get into crypto? I want to know. Is it too personal? Is it too personal? All right, it looks like ETH is starting to pull up right here to the upside. PEPE's breaking out, I believe. Yeah, PEPE's breaking out right here, looking pretty darn good. Our trades are absolutely pumping right now. Things are looking pretty fire, I'm not gonna lie. What the hell happened? Guys, am I lagging? Am I lagging? All right, 1 second. One second. I'm trying to fix this. It'll be back in about a minute. I have a few apps open. I have a few heavy apps open actually. I have heavy apps open. 1 second. 1 second, fam. Audio good, but frozen screen. Completely frozen. The screen's completely frozen. What about now? Might need an upgrade on the computer RAM. Yeah, probably. Probably. Dude, I can't download some RAM on a Mac. I cannot download RAM on a Mac, unfortunately. It sucks. It really sucks. I cannot upgrade. I have to get a new MacBook Pro, unfortunately. Am I good now? Might have to increase your virtual RAM too. How do you do that? On Mac, can you even do that? I don't think you could do that. No, it says you can directly increase virtual RAM on Mac in the same way you do on Windows. You can do it, unfortunately. Yeah, Mac OS can. Apple sucks sometimes. Wait, can I upgrade? How old is my MacBook Pro? Let's see. Bro, let's. It says I can't do it. Anyways, that sucks. I don't know. All right, Ethereum just consolidating right here. PEPE is consolidating as well. It looks like LITECOIN's consolidating. It looks like maybe crypto's getting ready for the next big move to the upside. This is the 5 minutes right here on others. You make 300k UI new one. I don't even understand, bro. This MacBook is new actually. This is a new MacBook, bro. I literally got it. Oh, I'm muted. No, I'm not muted. Is it? Bruh. Am I really muted, fam? All right, testing. I think you guys should be able to hear me now. You guys should be able to hear me now. Music and sound effect works. This I know. I know that the music. All right, it's fine. The audio's back. Your audio is. The audio's back. Audio's back. Audio's back. Audio's back. We're back. We're back. We're back. I hope we're back. I hope. Yeah, we should be back. All right, we're back. We are back, fam. We're back. All right, let's ban this guy. Let's see if we get another breakout right here on others crypto. So this is everything excluding the top 10, everything excluding the top 10. Let's see if we get a nice little breakout right here. That would be pretty cool if we get a breakout. That means Ethereum would essentially be breaking out, and our trades would essentially be pumping. So let's see if we get a nice little breakout here. Let's see. Y'all can hear me, right? If not, I'm gonna end this stream if you guys can hear me. Yeah, you could hear me. Okay, cool. Yeah, so others, this is a very important chart right here. I like to have a look at the total instead of having a look at like one specific. They tried to mute him already, I see. Yeah, if we could break out of this, that would be very good for like coins like Ethereum and PEPE and Cardano and all the things that are not in the top 10. That would be very good. LITECOIN, I don't think LITECOIN in the top 10. So let's see if we get a nice little breakout right here. That'd be super bullish. Yeah, I mean, at this point, anything in the top, let's say 100, but not in the top 10, you could be longing. And if this breakout succeeds, you'd be printing pretty much. You would be pretty much printing, in my opinion. All right, let's see if we get that nice little breakout. Yo, I think you guys' stream is delayed. You might need to essentially move the little thingy to the right or refresh your page. If the stream is delayed, refresh the page. You guys might be delayed by a lot. Yeah. All right, nice little breakout right here. Let's get it. Break a structure. We got the break a structure. Let's go. All right, we just gotta let's see what happens here next minute and 16 seconds, because we gotta break a structure and others. $296 billion market cap. This is gonna be an interesting one. LTC is currently going up. Our trades are absolutely pumping right now. If you guys want access to all my trades, make sure you guys join the Discord. Links in the description below. But we should be pumping right here. Let's see what happens. If this does happen, then Ethereum could look pretty good. Hopefully we have a nice little pump right here. Let's see. Yeah, we're not. Let's get to 50 likes, guys. 46 likes currently at the moment. Make sure you guys like the video if you guys have not, and make sure you guys subscribe if you guys do like the stream. I'd really appreciate it. And if you guys want a nice cute $2,000 bonus and join VIP, make sure you guys sign up with BYDFi right here. I come on stream almost every day, so of course if you guys want to support me, sign up with BYDFi. I don't need anything else. Sign up, trade on BYDFi, come join the community, come join the Discord. Let's have a look right here at the Discord. Do we need to approve any new members? Let's have a look right here at the Discord. Nope. Looks like everyone pretty much is joined. Come join us, scalp, swing signals, market analysis, VIP chat. All you have to do is get VIP access for free right here. And pretty much you would get access to all that. It's very simple. Click on this link right here. Sign up with BYDFi. Deposit $500 into your BYDFi wallet so you could start trading. Put your UID right here and you'll get access to the VIP section for free. Pretty simple. All right, the 5-minute candle just closed right here. We're currently sitting at the resistance. Nothing too crazy, obviously. Let's see what happens here. Ethereum is having a little bit of a hard time. We got approximately 15 minutes left until the Ethereum candle closes. Let's see what happens here. Hello. Yeah, okay, you guys can hear me. Cool. Yeah, we got 15 minutes left. Looking pretty good so far. Go. Still waiting for that Ethereum breakout. We had the successful breakout right here on the 1 hour, but not looking so great. Not looking. Let's see if we could reverse right here in the next 13 minutes on Ethereum. I'm really hoping. I'm really hoping we could reverse. Let's see VIP chat. What's everyone saying? KDA is ripping. Oh my god, what is going on with KDA? Wow, what a rip. Also, wow. Let's freaking go. Is KDA finally waking up? Beautiful, beautiful. Wow, look at this. Look at this KDA. Wow, 63 cents is probably the next target for KDA. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Let's go right here back on total 5 minutes. Yeah, looking pretty juicy right here. Yo, what's up, the king of Bitcoin? I believe you're new here. Welcome to the stream. I don't know if this is, I think this is the first time I hear of you, but I don't know. Maybe I could be wrong. Maybe you've been here before. Maybe you changed your username, but welcome, welcome, welcome. I will put my SL at break even and take off. Bitcoin price really tight. Might make a move soon. Maybe. I agree. If Bitcoin makes a move here, that would really help our tokens, our longs like Ethereum, LITECOin, Dogecoin, and PEPE right now. I think that would really help, but consolidating, taking a little bit of a breather, nothing to worry about. Good luck, VR Emirate. Make sure you join the Discord. If you guys have not joined the Discord, make sure you guys joined. It will be pinned to this chat. It will be in the description below. Make sure you guys pretty much join the Discord. You get access to free VIP signals if you guys are interested. A lot of good traders on there. It's not just me, there's other traders, so make sure you guys essentially join the Discord. I'm trying to build the biggest crypto trading community ever. The link will be in the description below, so make sure y'all join the Discord right here. Let's have a look at the trading PNL. Look, people are absolutely printing right here. KDA 15x on 15x 28%. People are absolutely printing on BYDFi, and I freaking love to see it. I love to see it. I love to see it. I do. I really do love to see it. All right, Ethereum is trying to make that nice little breakout. It looks like others breaking out. This is what I was talking about. If other does break out, we're most likely going to see Ethereum breakout. Ethereum is currently up 0.89%. We got PEPE up 2.93%. Nothing too crazy. Let's see. We got 10 minutes left to recover this 1 hour candle. Hopefully we could have a nice little hourly. Let's see what Ethereum does here. Let's see what Ethereum does here. I would like for Ethereum to close the hourly above. Not above, but let's see if we get to 3,585 right here on the hourly. That would be pretty good. I would like that. If we could do it, I would like it. Yeah, our long on Ethereum is nice. It's cooking. Up 17%, but we could definitely make more, obviously. Yeah. All right, 3,581. Others is exploding. Exactly. Break a structure on others. Beautiful. Let's see if we could take this order block right here. Hopefully we could break above the order block on others. That would be really bullish. Wow, people are printing on the Discord. I love it. Freaking love to see it, honestly. Make sure you guys join the Discord. Let's see if I need to verify anyone. Wow, I'm losing my voice. Wow, 1 new member. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and verify you because I think you came from the stream. Yeah, guys, sign up with Discord, join the Discord. Very, very organized. I have all the languages in the world right here if you guys are interested, not only English. So all right, we got the nice little closure right here. Fair value gap looking pretty good on the 5-minute time frame. Ethereum still a little bit of recovery that needs to be done, but hopefully we could clear it and go up. All right, I'm gonna go in like 25 minutes, something like that. Banger, let's go. Let's go. Let's freaking go. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Let's go, ETH. Others is pumping. This is the others chart, by the way. Others, the whole crypto market that's not included the top 10. So anything excluding in the top 10, that's what others is. It's pretty good for altcoins, obviously. So if you're trading altcoins below the top 10, that's what this chart is, especially if you're long. Looking pretty darn good. 3,580 right here, 3,582. Let's see if we could pump right here in the last 8 minutes. That'd be pretty good as well. Yeah, our positions are ripping right now. PEPE is ripping too. Yeah, PEPE is ripping as well. Nice, welcome. Welcome, the king of Bitcoin. Make sure you join the Discord if you haven't. The links are pinned below. Yeah, everything's pumping right here. Everything's pumping. We got Sol pumping. Well, Solana's not really pumping, but PEPE and Ethereum are pumping right here. Looking pretty good. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Hopefully we could have a nice little closure. We got 8 minutes left until the closure on the daily, on the 1 hour closes. 7 minutes and 40 seconds to be exact. So hopefully we could have a nice little pump ending the thing. But so far, others is looking nice. Others is looking juicy right now. A lot of these altcoins are pumping. Farcoin's pumping. WIF is pumping. KD is exploding. XLM's going up. Yeah, Litecoin was our trade that we took. Just consolidating after this massive pump. Nothing too crazy in my opinion on Litecoin. Pretty good, pretty healthy. Nice little healthy pump on Litecoin. All right, let's see what happened. Break a structure right here on others. 3,581.31 on ETH. Let's have a look right here. Hopefully ETH can reach 3,700. I think that's possible. I do think that's possible. What's the other chart called, please? Which other chart? This one? Which one? Oh, this others. Others is it's just type in others and on TradingView, and it's pretty much the total market cap excluding the top 10. So there's no Bitcoin stable coins or Doge or anything like that. I like to use it for smaller altcoins, obviously, because it tells you the direction where smaller altcoins are going. And you could see that pretty much the smaller altcoins right now are exploding. Ethereum's not pumping as much. XRP's not pumping as much. Solana's not pumping as much. Dogecoin is not pumping as much. But we got AVAX exploding, Ethereum Classic, Chainlink, SUI, SPX, Farcoin, WIF. So anything pretty much outside the top 10 right now is exploding. So it looks like a lot of the money right now is currently flowing into the smaller cap. So you got large cap and small cap, and you could obviously you could probably see that on the capital flow index. So if I actually have a look right here and look at the capital flow index right here, where is it? Yeah, this is the capital flow index. You could probably see that. This is the 5-minute time frame, keep in mind, but it's probably going to tell you that a lot of money's flowing into smaller caps and large caps. Let's see. Altcoin, shitcoins, large cap, shitcoins. Sorry. So so like I said, a lot of the money right now is flowing into altcoins. Large cap is anything in the top 10. And then you got stable coins. Obviously, a lot of money's outflowing the stable coins, and a lot of money right now is flowing into shit coins, and especially altcoins, which is the others chart, which is this chart right here. Hence why you could see right here, like meme coins such as Farcoin, WIF, and SPX are exploding. And then you're seeing, PEPE is exploding too, and you're seeing Ethereum, XRP not really moving. So others is very, very important. Make sure you guys join the VIP right here. It's free. Get VIP access right here. for the millionth time. All you have to do is sign up with this link right here, deposit some funds, and then you get access to scalp signals, swing signals, market analysis, and VIP chat. Make sure you guys do it. What's happening? Those haven't been on stream, on the stream. You're gone. I hear you though. What do you mean I'm gone? I'm not gone. Refresh. All right, got 4 minutes and 19 seconds until the thing closes. What the fuck is this? What is this? I have never seen such a thing before. Nah. I cannot read this. How do you read this, bro? This is so confusing. There's too many things. All right, we got 4 minutes until the candle closes. Let's see what happens. Do I need to verify anyone? Let me refresh right here. Wow, we're 7 members away in the Discord from 1,200. That's pretty sexy, actually. I'm not gonna lie. Listen, not the candle we wanted on Ethereum on the 1 hour. We still have 2 minutes and 49 seconds. We're most likely gonna end like that. But I wouldn't be surprised if we continue pumping, in my opinion. I wouldn't. The 4 hour is looking too bullish. Look at that, the 4 hour. Look, 4 hour candle just started, and look at this. We're pretty crazy right here. Oversold on the stochastic RSI. Oversold. It looks like it's ready to send it. Yeah, in my opinion, it's gonna get sent. All right, the others chart maybe coming back down and retesting. Nothing too crazy. Nothing to be concerned about, obviously. All right, Bitcoin's dumping. That means others are dumping too. Nah, come on. This is not a fake out. Come on. What an ugly ending to the hour, man. Come on, bro. All right, maybe next hour we come back and retest the VPVR. I think that's what's gonna happen. I think we're gonna retest the point of control the next hour. Yeah, maybe we come back and retest the POC. I don't know why we're dumping at the end of the hour though. We had the whole fucking hour to dump, and now we're dumping. Oh my god, others are getting rugged right now. Let's have a look right here. Yeah, others are dumping hard. Wow. Yeah, maybe we come retest the VPVR right here. We got some pretty good demand zone right here. I don't know, maybe the start of the hour we come back, do something like that. Others chart probably needs to hold this right here, in my opinion. We probably need to hold this level right here because we got a slight candle of the, I'd probably say this is a second level of the VPVR right here. Massive dump. I don't even know what happened, but we could definitely also come back down and retest this level. Hopefully that's not the case. Hopefully that's not the case. I really hope that's not the case. Wow, massive fair value gap on the 5 minutes. So the new hour just started right here. The new hour just started for Ethereum. Not the best closure, obviously, not the nicest closure. Pretty dirty one. Litecoin is still up, just consolidating in my opinion. Like I said, we're most likely going to come back and retest the breakout right here, which was this resistance. We have a massive fair value gap right here, but I think we're going to consolidate here for maybe a few more hours on Litecoin before going to the upside. We do have, I believe, a order block at $116,000. Yeah, we have a small order block between 116 to 118,000. Nothing too crazy. Ethereum is still in a breakout mode. Ethereum is still in a breakout mode on the 1 hour time frame. Let's go back to the others chart real quick, see what's going on. Yeah, this is the others chart. All right, cool. All right, yeah. Not the nicest bear flag. I mean, that was like a massive pump and dump. Let's see if we could reverse here though. Do I need to accept anyone in my new Discord? Let's see. No. Guys, come trade with us. Free VIP access right here. Click on this BYDFi link. It's going to guide you to this right here. You could actually get a $2,000 bonus right here, depending on how much you deposit. So make sure you guys do that. And once you do that, make sure you put your UID here after you deposit at least a minimum of $500. And you could start trading with us. Get access to scalp signals, swing signals, market analysis, VIP chat. We could absolutely print together, make money together. And if you guys do want to chat with me, you guys can obviously come and chat with me. I'm way likely. It's way likely for me to answer you through the VIP chat than any other channel. So make sure you guys come and register with BYDFi. I'm trading right now on BYDFi. Very clean, very smooth platform. I really do like it. Yeah, I really do like this platform. I'm not gonna lie. I do like it. $20,854. If you guys have not subscribed to this video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. If you guys have not, leave a like. Make sure you guys leave a like. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Let's try to get 60 likes. Let's try to get 60 likes. Let's see what Ethereum does here, if we could start pumping or not. Litecoin just consolidating. Litecoin consolidating right here. Nothing too crazy, nothing to worry about right here. Dogecoin also consolidating right here, probably getting ready for the next big move in my opinion. We've been consolidating for a few hours now. PEPE also consolidating, but ETH is probably our biggest concern right now. Coming back down, retesting this nice little support region. Nothing too crazy. Coming back down and retesting retesting this area that we broke out of. Maybe others does something like this before exploding to the upside. Hopefully we consolidate before going to the upside. That'd be pretty good. And we're dumping again. Yeah. All right, guys, I'm probably gonna go soon. We made some very nice profits today. I'm not gonna lie. We made some very nice profits today. But right now, Ethereum is just coming back down and retesting. I just want to finish this video with Ethereum real quick. Depending on what others on the thing do, but it looks like right now, yeah, I'm not a fan of this. Yeah, I'm not a fan of this. Listen, if we can stay above 3,565 on Ethereum, that's super bullish. If we come back and retest the point of control, we have to stay above 3,555 to remain in that swing. Otherwise, we're probably just going to keep on dumping. So I hope this was not just a fake out liquidity grab right here at the order block. We do have a pretty fat order block right here that needs to be taken care of. So I really hope this order block does get taken care of, because we need to essentially clear it. This order block needs to be cleared. I think it's going to happen, but we have to be patient. We can't always go up. We can't always go up straight in the line. That would be almost impossible. Things are going to be choppy right here. They're going to get ugly, but I hope this order block is going to be taken, because after that, in my opinion, the sky's the limit. We do have a small order block right here, but this is the biggest one that we need to take care of, in my opinion, in order to continue to the upside. I really hope we're going to get it. And as long as we stay above this level right here, which is the retest of the W pattern, I think we're going to be good. And as long as we stay above this trend line too, I think it's going to be good too. Let's see what happens, honestly. Let's see what happens. Anyways, if you guys want to essentially come, make sure you guys join the Discord right here, get free VIP access, deposit some money right here. $500 to deposit, you get a $75 bonus. If you deposit at $10,000, you get a $1,000 bonus, and pretty much that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. I'm really tired. I'm losing my voice a little bit. I hope that we're gonna explode, but I will be updating you guys in the VIP chat. Yes, it's free. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace out, fam.